Session open. Session open. New York VWAP arriving. Tick by tick, the values alive and thriving. Overnight VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. BOC set to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 at closest, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true.
That's how it's done.
Come on. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values lie. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC.
Every day.
Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside range, dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. POC, VAH, VAL. That's the only A. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth.
That's how it's done.
Hey. Can't stop. The tick don't lie.
Can't stop.
The values lie. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC.
Every day.
Come on, come on. Hey. Don't lie. VAH. Don't lie. VAL. Don't lie. Tick level, multiply. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values live. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the wave. Can't stop. VTC.
Every day.
Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick. Can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. Oh yeah, all right. Locked in, calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Sitting up the level, watching how it's playing. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the edge, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. We're trading on. Steady as the sun, Session open. Session open. New York VWAP arriving. Tick by tick, the values alive and thriving. Overnight VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. VOC sent to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 it closest, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. A week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true.
That's how it's done.
Come on. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the values lie. VOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside range, dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. VOC, VAH, VAL, that's the only A. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth.
That's how it's done.
Hey. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the values lie. VOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Come on, hey! Don't lie. VAH, don't lie. VAL, don't lie. Take level, multiply. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the values live. VOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick, can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. One line, one mind, Irie. Come, let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day. Chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found ASFX, found BSC2. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah, the VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it say. Right side of the line, no regret. DST showed me, now I know. Discipline in range, be still. Patience is the muscle, got to build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me, Evan told me, Randy told me too. It ain't about the tools, it's about what you do. Past my challenge, took my first payout. That's when I understood what BNC's about. Hey, cleared my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VUF, VUF, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the rains, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. In your soul, wait for the setup, let it show. Right side of the web, watch it flow. All I need is a VUF, yeah, VUF, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Oh, wait for the rains, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. Oh, 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 oh. One line, one line. You have 930 patience, pay out. Yes, she.
He's been up since 2 a.m. watching them wicks, probing them highs. He calls it institutional flow. We call it something else. BSC. Let's ride. He woke up in the dark just to stroke his charts. Got his order blocks lined up, studying all the parts. He's tracing everybody, every wick, every tail, licking his lips when the price drops below the veil. He loves a good penetration of the previous high. Whisper smart,
Money's entering with a glint in his eye.
he's been probing that zone since 2:45. Said nobody does it deeper than ICT. Oh, he's thrusting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money, smart money. He don't quit till he feels that void.
Feel it.
Smart money, smart money. Every gap he finds gets the boy overjoyed. He said the Judas swing came hard and fast, grabbed all the buy side, said baby this won't last. He's stroking the inefficiency, calling it clean, the most beautiful displacement that he's ever seen. He found a naked POC and he just couldn't wait. Dove in at the kill zone, said this entry feels great. 3 hours later he stopped out, laying there in shame, blaming market makers for his own little game. He's probing the high,
Probe it, daddy.
he's filling them void.
Feel it all night.
He's riding that inefficiency till the break of dawn. The displacement so deep,
So deep.
had him lose sleep.
Couldn't sleep.
Cause the fair value gap had him holding on so long. He said the liquidity was just sitting there, exposed. and he had to sweep it. He had to.
Oh, he's busting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah,
He grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
I see T-Trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money, smart money.
he don't quit till he fills that void.
Smart money, smart money.
BSC already banked it. Bye bye boy. He said the buy side liquidity was just too exposed. He had to sweep it, but VWAP already took her home. BSC. We don't chase gaps. We just let it come to us. Oh, yeah.
Smart money, smart money. Moves.
Smart money moves.
Oh, yeah, all right. Locked in calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Setting up the level, watching how it's playing. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age. That's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight. That's the line I'm holding. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day. No room for folding. Oh. Payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. Same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. Charts don't lie. That's the gospel I'm relaying. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. We're trading on. Steady as the sun. This groove goes on and on. Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weak hands make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And now the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt, club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out hits, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just send them a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. It ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Hey, out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started. Funded and free. What is that? Mandy. What is that, candle? What is that, candle? What
looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC when nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Trump news in the market just blew right through 150 points and Randy already knew. Fuck it, boner candle. They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too. They got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account traders seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more, but nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask them why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Oh, boner candle. What you gonna do when it comes for you? Boner candle. Boner candle. Trump news in the market just blew right through 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle. Randy called it. Can't uncall it. Black shirt club. Never forget. The boner candle of 2025. Hey! Hey!
I got calluses from hands that used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in me. So some wound don't heal, it should go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. Wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I've took the losses like a gut shot, watched the good ones run. Learn the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't run. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every red day is just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. And the setting sun. I bled for this country, came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for proper payouts, no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. They don't see the nights I sat here, staring at the screen, praying for a green print like it's the only thing between who I was and who I'm trying hard to be. Ain't about the money,
This is how it's done. Let's go to full draw.
Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. VWAP, it's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a guess. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout talks loud and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. ASFX in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. VWAP, that's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a guess. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Wrong side once, pay that fee. Now I trade what I see. No loud mouth, no hero play. Just take the setup, and walk away. That's the line I trust. When it clean and dust. I don't need a guess. That's my edge, my test. S&P 500 want some more. They said the market was against us. We said, nah, we got the VWAP. It's astronomical. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Track the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one core. Opening range set up like a block I control. Bears pushed it under, tried to swallow it whole. VWAP reclaim like Prada moving on a stroll. Double break the top side, now we deep in the road. I move them minis like I'm moving them packs. Opening range high broke, no looking back. New York VWAP my corner, that's my turf on the map. Weak hands got shook, they ain't never coming back. Plugged into the supply before the sun came up. Every morning opening range fills my cup. First break fake out, got the ops asking what. Second break confirmed and I'm touching up. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Trap the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one cord. She said, how you always calm at the bell? I said, baby, I've been studying this opening range spell. New York, VWAP, my religion, I know it well.
Double break my sermon, got a story to tell. It's astronomical the way this thing set up. Open and range, low broke, everybody fed up. V-WAP like a corner boy, it never gave up. Reclaim the line and now the top side getting towed up. Perched up in the platform like I'm posted on the block. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I own this whole clock. 5 minis deployed like I'm running the flock. Paid before breakfast and I dead both alive. Opening range is the territory. B-do-app is the connect. Double break is the lick. The system is the architect. They trap the block, I trap the chart. Same discipline, different art. Patience on the corner, patience at the open. Either way, you wait or leave broken. I don't move unless the V-WAP say move. I don't size up unless I'm deep in the groove. Open and range, high or low, that's the only two. Double break my confirmation, that's the code I use. They out here shooting blind, I'm picking off a snipe. Open and range, bombs up and I wait for it to ripen. New York V-WAP, the signal when the time is getting right. In 5 minutes, trigger pull when everything's aligning. Pay before breakfast every morning, it's a ritual. Open and range, double break, nothing is coincidental. System built for this and everything is subliminal. We the squad and everything is criminal. V-WAP, open the range. Double break, it's astronomical. We already ate.
I said, the double break is back! Like he said to do. 1 minute candle closed, and I knew it was true. I pulled the trigger clean, didn't flinch, didn't stray. A double break set up, paid again today. The double break is back, back. Oh, said the double break is back, back. A black shirt club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back. See the how Austin do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Take it down now. Just the bass. Double break. Always coming back. ASFX. Shout out Austin Silver. Black Shirt Club. ASFX. Watch the range. Watch the VWAP. Let's go. Double break. Double break. Price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break. Double break. VWAP in the middle. That's the Golden Gate. Let's go. Double break. Double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Let's go. Double break. Double break. ASFX. Black Shirt Club. We already ate. Yeah. 15-minute rain set up at the bell. Best pushed it under trying to send it to hell. We can't fold it, stop that, they fell. Austin just smile cause he know the spell. Price to claim the VWAP like it always do. Now the top of the range is coming in the view. Break that ceiling confirmation true. 5 minutes loaded, bro, you already knew. Or low got broke, that's the first trap set. Shook the lungs out, got them soaking wet. VWAP reclaim, that's your signal, yeah. Double break incoming, you can take that bread. Double break, double break. Price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. ASFX, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. He don't trade scale, he don't trade small. 2 to 5 minutes when he gets the call. Most people watching, he's already in the hall, taking what the market gives. That's all. First break, fake out, ship the Rickies out. Second break, top side, that's when he spouts. No hesitation when the signal's loud. Austin in the chat in the BSC crowd, they said the range broke, it's bearish now. He said, nah, watch the VWAP, show you how. Reclaim, confirm, he's sizing up right now. Double break, activated, take the bow. First break takes you out if you eat. Second break pays out if you see. VWAP is the pivot every week. Trust the system, trust the technique. Bears got trapped on the bottom side. Bulls took over on the VWAP ride. Broke the top and let the runners fly. Austin Silver, don't ask questions why. Double break, price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break, double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. ASFX, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. I've been studying the rain since the RTH open. Beware my compass when the market's broken. Every double break a brand new token. BSC the cool and Austin Silver spoken. They out here guessing, I'm out here knowing. VWAP above New York, the money flowing. 2 to 5 minutes and the accounts growing. Black Shirt Club, you already know where I'm going. Reclaim the line and we break the tie. Bears exhausted, we ain't gonna stop. Double break set up at the peak and dry. ASFX, living and we never flop. ASFX, Black Shirt Club, double break. Trust the VWAP, Austin Silver built it. Discipline, patience, execution. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. They don't know nothing about this. Caught on the charts. The other charts. Woo! I'm up at 6 a.m. I'm up at 6 a.m. Pre-market looking clean. Sharpest dressed trader that the pop firm ever seen. VWAP like a river and I'm fishing in the bend. Drew my level perfect, now I'm waiting for the trend. Micro E mini, I don't play with the big
dollars yet, but I'm stacking up the payouts on the funded account set. 3 months in the challenge like a prison doing time. 1 green day away from touching freedom on a dime. Then this phone go off like a grenade in the quiet room. True social notifications spell my account's doomed. Straight up horn moves, general, something about a deal. NQ fell 100 points before my mind could feel. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I am not a trader, I am a trading experience. That's the proper risk, that's about my level of persistence. Discipline, patience, execution, that's the trinity. But ain't no pattern for presidentialicity. I study price action like a preacher study scripture. Every morning pour the chart and paint a perfect picture. Support and resistance, I can teach it in my sleep. Then one post about Tehran in my account, 6 feet deep, real talk. I had to set above the century. NQ at value, trend was elementary. Finger on the mouse like I'm about to change my life. Then the commander-in-chief went and brought a knife. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I've been staring at these candles since the early morning. I was back, tested every setup, calculated all the powers. Taught me more about patience than a Bloomberg terminal. But patience don't mean nothing when the news is terminal. They say the market prices and all available information. Nobody priced in 3 a.m. True social notifications. I am the best trader that you never heard of yet. Give me back my funded account and watch me not forget. Reset the account like Wayne reset the mixtape game. Light it up tomorrow, yeah, the setup look the same. 1 eye on the chart and 1 eye on the feed. Cause in this Trump market, information gonna lead. Yeah, true social, stop loss. They don't put that in the curriculum. Discipline, patience, execution, and pray it don't post. Wheezy. Yeah. We lost one today, BSC. Austin's double break long. She held us down for so long, man. Pour one out. Yeah. Yeah. It's been a long day without you, my friend. She held the line through every NY trend. Value area high, she never let us down. Double break confirmed, we never used to frown. Austin called it clean, structure looks so right. But the market took her home last night. I'll tell you all about it when we see you again. Double break long, we gon' see you again. She rap held tight, but she faded in the end. We gon' see you again. We gon' see you again. She filled our orders, gave us payout days. Ran through value area in the most beautiful ways. Randy watched the charts, JB had the screen. BSC was crying, you know what I mean. Austin kept his cool, took the loss like a pro. But deep in the chat, everybody know ASFX lost a homie today. Double break long, just faded away. She gave us everything, every single one. And now the market closed and the damage is done. Rest easy setup. You would've won. She was consistent, man. She was always there. Double break long, gone, but never forgotten. BSC.
Friday 4 o'clock, the candles all went dark. Closed my last position, now there's nothing on the charts.
Everybody's headed down a dirt road, cooler in the bed. I'm sitting on the porch with the dime stuck in my head. They're chasing Friday night neon lights, man, I'm chasing the bell. 2 days of quiet is a special kind of hell. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough. This time we'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Saturday I'm journaling trays I already took. Back testing setups, reading my playbook. Wife says you're obsessing, yeah, she's probably right. But discipline don't take a day off, it just waits for the light. Black shirt in the closet like a jersey on the wall. 2 more sleeps till the opening call. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough. This time we'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Yeah. Sunday 6 o'clock, futures open up the door. Crack a cold one, watch them glow. Bakes, candles glow. Alarm set early, plan rolled out, clean, rested. Hungry, dangerous, you know what I mean. Well, back on Monday, back on Monday. London through New York, let the levels play. Fresh week, fresh mind. Same rules, patience pays the ones who keep it cool. Hated the weekend, love the grind. Now the bell is ringing and the setup's mine. We're back on Monday, back on Monday. We're back on Monday. Back on Monday. See you at the open. Oh.
Yeah. Alarm goes off, I'm up. Cold water, clear my face. Coffee black, screen glow. Same book, same pace. Check the overnight range. Read the gap with care. Levels on a whiteboard, no room for prayer. News feed, calendar. Earnings in the air. What moved? What trapped them? What ran and why they? No rush, no chase. Hands still, I stray. If the take is loud, I stay quiet inside. I came to do my job, not let feelings decide. Conquer the market. Conquer the market. Calm hands, clear mind. Conquer the market. M&Q, I wait for the cue. No emotion, just rule. If I miss the first move, I don't lose my mind. Win with the plan, not the heat of the day. Take what the setup gives, then step away. Conquer the market. Conquer the market. Calm hands, clear mind. Conquer the market. M&Q, I wait for the cue. No emotion, just rules, and I follow through. Black Shirt Club, see? Take a breath now. The line of the way. Sun come up easy, no need for the rush. Kettle on the stove and the charts waking up. I don't chase the candle when you're running up the hill. I just watch the volume and I sit right still. Cause price is a traveler, you wander and you roam. But every traveler gets tired, every traveler go home. And home is a number that the volume drew for me. Weighted average, honest as the sea. It come back to the line, it always come back to the line. Take your time, Mr. Trader. Everything in time. It come back to the line. Hear the horns in the bass. Let it stretch, let it run. It can't outrun the place. Oh, come back to the line. Come back to the line. Oh, come back to the line. Overnight, tell me where the sleepy money lay. New York, wake up and they draw a fresh away. Two lines talking. Now I'm listening close. Are they saying the same thing or arguing at the open? When they stack up together and they point the same side. That's not noise, my friend, that's the tide. Then I look at yesterday, see what the value made. The higher the value, the lower when the shade. If both lines sitting up above the value high. Buyers on the morning and I ain't asking why. If they sitting down below in the POC overhead. I don't fight the ceiling, I go the other way instead. But when they split and they scatter and they can't agree, that's the market saying nothing, so it's nothing for me. Fold the hands, sip the tea, let it find its mind. Cause confusion never paid for a single dime. It come back to the line, it always come back to the line. Take your time, Mr. Trader. Everything in time. It come back to the line, hear the horns in the bass. Let it stretch, let it run, it can't outrun the place. Oh, come back to the line. Oh, come back to the line. Now Austin built a framework where a trader can go. Not a secret, not a shortcut, just a way to know. Black shirt on the shoulder mean you're showing up true. Same charts every morning and you're doing what you do. VTC on the screen, painting clean and clear. Telling me the story that I couldn't always hear. Where the line is leaning, where the pressure holds. So I ain't trading feeling, I'm trading what I'm told. And the framework don't promise you a mountain of gold. They just keep you in the seat till the edge unfolds. One setup, one size, one rule I obey. In the growing, have been quiet day by day. One's up, one line. Every morning a chance to do it right. Every evening put the worry out of sight. No greed in the morning, no fear at the close. Just the light, the value, and the way it goes. The way it goes. time. Oh, 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 it come back to the line. Hear the horns and the bass. Let it stretch, let it run. It can't outrun the place. Oh, come back, come back to the line. Take your time, take your time. Come back, come back, come back, come back to the line. Everything, everything in time.
Come on. Session open. Session open. New York VWAP arriving. Tick by tick, the values alive and thriving. Overnight VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. VOC sent to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 it closes, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true. That's how it's done. Come on. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the values lie. VOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC. Every day. Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside range, dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. VOC, VAH, VAL, that's the only A. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth. That's how it's done. Hey. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the values lie. VOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC. Every day. Come on, come on, hey! Don't lie. VAH, don't lie. VAL, don't lie. Tick level, multiply. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the values live. VOC, VAH, VAL, we ride the wave. Can't stop, VTC. Every day. Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick, can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. One line, one mind, Irie. Come, let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day. Chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found
ASFX, found BSC2. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah, the VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. 15 minutes at the opening range, be still. Patience is the muscle, gotta build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me, Evan told me, Randy told me too. It ain't about the tools, it's about what you do. Past my challenge, took my first payout. That's when I understood what BNC's about. Hey, cleared my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah, VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the rains, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. Hey, it ain't the indicators, no. It's the patience in your soul. Wait for the setup, let it show. Right side of the web, watch it flow. All I need is a VWAP, yeah, VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. One line, one line. VWAP, 930 patience pay out. BSC.
He's been up since 2 a.m. watching them wicks, probing them highs. He calls it institutional flow. We call it something else. BSC. Let's ride. He woke up in the dark just to stroke his charts. Got his order blocks lined up, studying all the parts. He's tracing everybody, every wick, every tail, licking his lips when the price drops below the veil. He loves a good penetration of the previous high.
Whisper smart, money's entering with a glint in his eye.
He's been probing that zone since 2:45. Said nobody does it deeper than ICT. Oh, he's thrusting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money, smart money. He don't quit till he feels that void.
Feel it.
Smart money, smart money. Every gap he finds gets the boy overjoyed. He said the Judas swing came hard and fast, grabbed all the buy side, said, baby, this won't last. He's stroking the inefficiency, calling it clean, the most beautiful basement that he's ever seen. He found a naked POC and he just couldn't wait. Dove in at the kill zone, said this entry feels great. 3 hours later, he stopped out, laying there in shame, blaming market makers for his own little game. He's probing the high,
Probe it, daddy.
he's filling them void.
Feel it all night.
He's riding that inefficiency till the break of dawn. The displacement so deep,
So deep.
had him lose sleep.
Couldn't sleep.
Cause the fair value gap had him holding on so long. He said the liquidity was just sitting there, exposed, and he had to sweep it. He had to. Oh, he's busting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please. Smart money. Smart money.
He don't quit till he fills that void.
Smart money. Smart money.
BSC already banked it. Bye bye boy. He said the buy side liquidity was just too exposed. He had to sweep it, but VWAP already took her home. BSC. We don't chase gaps. We just let it come to us. Oh, yeah.
Smart money. Smart money. Moves.
Smart money. Moves.
Oh, yeah, all right. Locked in calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Sitting up the level, watching how it's playing. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Oh, payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle, don't mean nothing.
What's up, boys? What's up? Happy Friday. How we doing? Ant-Man, what's up? Nick, Dustin, Nate, old reliables, huh? How we doing, boys? Nate was here an hour ago. Goddamn. See if he's still here. But happy Friday. Nice little run up overnight. Let me pull up my screen here. Yeah, we're trading. Let's take a look at it, shall we? Yesterday, good trades. Options, futures were all right. Break even on that. 2 small wins. Not even. It's like break even. But I didn't get stopped out at break even, but it's like a break even day. We'll get into just that. But looking at ES and NQ overnight, that's some buyers. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. But still a very bearish week. Let's go start a week VWAP. Didn't even touch it on NQ except for on Monday, but it's still definitely lower highs and lower lows. We saw that yesterday when we were maybe looking for longs. I wasn't looking for longs on NQ. I was shorts or nothing because we took out the previous day's low, right? So when we have a bearish week and we take out another new low, it's pretty damn tough to buy it, right? Or to see that trend is going to be bullish. I can't predict that. We just made a new lower low. Just ride the trend. Trend is your friend. So let's just keep on shorting it. But damn, it took a while. So we'll get into those markups, but then lower low. This pullback right now, it's a Friday. Could we see some relief bounce? Yeah, sure, but it's still in the realm of being the next lower high. All right, so what do we want to do over here? Go to start a week view up and slow, right here and slow. Plenty of different options. So let's wait 45 minutes or so, wait for the open to come in, and we'll see what we can find. ES, same thing. All buyers in control. Didn't take out the previous day's low. Still just looking like a pullback, but that doesn't mean there still can't be more money made to the upside. If we put back on that start a week view up, where would that be? Yeah, still up there. Quite a way. I'm tired of this, Grant. What's too damn bad, Nate? What's up, Jake? Main reason I joined this stream is so Evan has to... Yeah, really. We used to never do this. We used to just jump on at 9:30, Nick. I pot a buy sand trader is good. What does that sentence even mean? Hello. What's up? We're looking at the double break. 2 back-to-back winning days on ES, which is, disclaimer, the one I would prefer to trade it on, because before the indicator update, before the 6 trillion YouTube videos we've done on it, I always saw it, in my mind, opinion, trading better on ES, following through better. So that's why you'd see me just not even be looking for it on NQ. Not that it doesn't pay, but I always thought it was, ES is where the bread's at on that. And you can see this week, Wednesday, hopefully you all took that. It was beautiful. So that's like a clean one, in trend with the VWAPs. And then Thursday, it won, but I didn't like it. Because again, you're long in it after making a new lower low, like this. So you made money long, but against the trend, so trend ultimately stepped right back in against you. So it's a little bit trickier, you know? But hey, it made you money if you followed the plan of trading a VWAP to VWAP, right? But with that in mind, let's just go to, what day are we saying? Wednesday? Let's just go to Wednesday real quick. I actually just tweeted this day out just like an hour ago or so. Looking at this, right? Let's turn off this start a week view up. We didn't have it on. This double break play long on ES. I know many of you took it on stream, maybe even added in. It's in trend, right? With the full view up alignment above both the blue and the black, telling you to be a buyer. Let's go continue going higher. We've been going higher. Let's keep going higher. Let's just word it like that for simplicity. Now let's leave this and go to yesterday. Where'd we go? Where my candles at? There she is. Thursday. There we go. Then you look at ES yesterday. What just happened? Where'd my indicators go? Piece of shit. Get me out of here. Restart chat. Gold, 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 gold. I still don't understand that sentence. I pot a buy sand trader is gold. What? What? Anyways, back to the program. See if it wants to work this time. I don't know what just happened. Let's go to yesterday. Yesterday's double break, you're saying let's keep going higher, but you've been moving lower. So that's why after it fulfills, it keeps going lower. That's what it was doing. Hopefully that's pretty fucking clear. No? Right, this one's more so you're trading the pullback and then trend continues. On Wednesday, trend, it pulled back. You traded the trend continuation. I like that one a lot better. I mean, who would? So yesterday, when you're looking at this, retest the overnight VWAP. Maybe retest the New York. How could you not see the trend as bearish? It is. But the double break stepped in, played out. There's the lower high. Now back to the shorts. So that's a tricky one because I wouldn't hate it if you're looking for shorts because that is the trend in the view up alignment. But damn, the double break strong. All the while on my NQ, again, I wasn't looking for longs because it's underneath every view up. We're moving lower here, Chief. We're going to keep on going lower. Chip stocks are beat down again. So you see these two double break longs, the X's, they both lost because you're fighting view up and fighting trend and fighting the stocks. They came close. I mean, you could make some money on that move. Right, if you're long from down here, hopefully you could bag some here, but technically not a win because it didn't hit this open range high, right? But so on that, I should have markups of it real quick. Thursday shorts. Yes, this was my day on NQ. Short, a little low from VWAP. Right, I liked this first retest of it because I knew I wanted to be a seller, but then such a strong candle. It closes at the open range low. I don't want that price. I want to trade back into the low. So it's like almost a shame that the candle was so strong. So when we get a little bit of a pullback, I'm like, okay, here's a little bit better of an opportunity before I miss it and it runs. And then it holds again, holds the low. I got out for like, damn, that's break even. I got out for break even because like, why can't we break this support? But then it holds the view up again. I can now get that closer price to view up that I wanted back here and back here, right? All right, the idea is still alive. Let's get back in at the higher price. It holds, so it gives me, again, a chance to close and profit at the bottom of this range. So I definitely could have done better on that. Not needing and hoping that the range would break because it just wasn't. But then I don't pull it here because that's just not what you do. It's still alive until a higher high is made. And theoretically, we just saw the chart here, right? It never would have made that. I would have held through this and then made that money. But damn, that would have been painful, right? So could have managed it. I wouldn't even say I could manage it better. I'm fine with the way I managed it. But yes, I could have made more money. But that's fine. Because this is not what my best trades look like. Let's take the short I took, break and retest. This is Friday. Was it Tuesday, chat? Let's go to Tuesdays. This is where I make my money. And it's the same idea of, okay, we're trending lower, breakout, pull back to view up, let's head lower. It did. Pull back to view up, okay. Well, let's trend lower. It did. This just wasn't trending yesterday, but it's the same idea of selling it at this blue VWAP with alignment, with the trend. It just took like 6 attempts to finally get that juice to make a new low, right? So I'm pleased with the entry because it's the same entry I should be taking, but the outcome of it was so fucking choppy. It's like, yeah, that's not ideal. If you could walk away not green, not red, you're fine. Because then actually, did I put the markup in TradeZella? We're on Thursday. I did. So I had this afternoon long because what a pain in the ass, huh? Because I missed this short at the gym, 12:45. But it's a clean retest. Let's go over the chart real quick. Look at that boy. So we want the New York VWAP. Pull back to it, huh? It's the same price I was short at the VWAP. You miss it. You don't just chase lower lows or even just this or anything at the VWAP and damn near the same price I sold it at already. There's the nice push lower. But again, I'm not at the desk. It's 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. I'm heading from the gym into meetings. I didn't miss anything. Like I wasn't watching it and I didn't sell it. Didn't even see it. But that would have been damn clean. So then now it's 2:45. Are we going to keep on trending lower for another new low into 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock after we're consolidating here for 30 minutes, not making new lows? All right, let's long it as a new 15-minute bar. You can see it's 2:45, right? 14:45. And let's just scalp this up. It went, I think, a little bit up here. But that's fine. I'm fighting the trend. So the note here, knowing it could turn and slow back down at any moment because it is still trending lower. Got to be quick with the profits. I'm not going to let this form a lower high right here and right back to my entry in 4 minutes, which it didn't. But if it did, would have looked like an ass, huh? So back a little bit of money there. We'll take it. But it's not the most conventional of days, huh? Because you could have had money short in that pop from the New York VWAP and that one as well. And I had that price, right? I was short here and I was short here. It's just this bullshit chop. Hopefully everyone's following. It makes sense to me. speak about this shit every day. It feels like common sense to me, but you never know. But yeah, ES higher high, and then it still works out. But look at that, chef's kiss, right to the VWAP, sells off for an hour. So if you're not getting your entries at the New York VWAP, please seek help. Check into an institution, do something, because you need help. And that was one of the biggest things we saw yesterday on stream, and Austin did really well at it. He'll go over it on ASFX TV stream. So if you guys are going to stick around today, we're going to keep on doing the stream here, pre-market, on X and YouTube. But if you want to be involved in the giveaways and all the future streams at the Open, click the link in my bio, head to the ASFX TV. First week free. You can study the courses over the weekend, all the replays from today's this week's streams. But then you'll get to go over and take some trades with us as well. But Austin got really nice scalpy with it because he got close to the VWAP. So I'm going to make up the prices. He sold it here, quick out. And then he did it again, I want to say randomly here. Something like that. Or he made money when it's not really moving anywhere because the entry is at the VWAP, which arguably I could have done as well. Right? I could have closed this trade at the bottom here, not at the top, made something. I could have closed my trade here, made something. But imagine the trader, which we saw, sell it at that bottom, like on the breakout. That's why I didn't want this candle right here, right? Too low. Not because I knew it was going to be the bottom of the range, but you have no structure to trade into. What you would be trading into is right there. That's not a trade. That's 2 points. But if I can get a pullback like this and trade back down to this, that's a hell of a lot more that I want to back. So anyone that traded it at this low with the proper stop, where do they make money? Where? Even on the lowest pop here, that's ass. But you just do this one simple thing of getting closer to the VWAP. It's like, nah, that looks like a nice trade. Or even over here, anywhere, right? Now you see the risk reward gets so much better. Where if you get so far from VWAP, terrible. So if you miss it, because even think about this, everything is VWAP. You're short at the VWAP, you miss it. Okay, how far is this thing going? Let's say you missed it, this pullback. Okay, I'm short now. First of all, where the hell is the stop loss on this sell price? Even though I like that it's making a new low, I agree it looks like it wants to go lower. But where would I want to be stopped out on this? Not here. Let's just say for this argument, this previous structure. Okay. Because it does go into profit. But who's going to close that trade? Probably one person out of 10. So it goes into drawdown. Now, I'm not saying... That's funny. I drew it right to where it gets stopped out. Not the point of this. Let's say it does survive. For you to win and make good money, you'd have to hold it for 3 hours and all this drawdown. Why? Get close to the VWAP, get in when it's ready to move, and you're instant profit, and you're out within 20, 30 minutes in this. So if you're just trading away from the VWAP, you're just making it harder on yourself. So I have like no sympathy for people that just chase trades. It's like, yeah, you sell it here on this day, it does keep going lower. Congrats, you probably made some money on that. But keep on trading far from VWAP like this every day, every trade, and it's just going to bite you in the ass like this more times than not. Nate, besides TOF, who am I trading with right now? I have a Lucid account and the TPT Live account, and that's it. That is it. Took an L on YM. Yeah, I think, what did YM? YM gave really good profit, so I'm not saying he did a bad job on it, K-Walk, but it did give you a decent profit, and then it actually did give another re-entry. So the double break on YM yesterday, clean view up alignment, right? Off the overnight, breakthrough New York. If this goes lower and you're not in it, what the hell are you doing? So I like the trade, and it comes damn near getting it. So let's say you don't close it there and you get a loss, because it does then just come up here and screw you. What does it then do? Use another double break from the same exact price, and then that one works. So you could be tough on yourself of trying to play it twice, same price, play it twice. Is that the new saying? Because I was even on NQ, it didn't lose, But on my Tuesday NQ, these two shorts, it's the same price. Short it, boom. If you miss it, don't trade it away from VWAP, folks. Wait for the pullback and then trade it. Talking to kindergartners. Makes sense? Because then you sell it here, just immediate drawdown. Maybe even stopped out, and then I make money. I was being greedy yesterday and could have sold 2 trades at 10 points, but I only walked out with 29. Yeah, I mean, I made like 80 bucks on that second short. Nothing on the first one. It was like break even, right? So it was choppy. My job in choppy markets, or the choppy price action for that time being, is just to not go red. Because then when these Tuesdays happen, I'm going to maximize on it and I'll be fine. This is what my green days look like. Right? Sell at the VWAP, boom, trend pulls back, fucking sell it again. Where'd that markup go? That's the first one. Trend continuation, keep on playing the VWAP. I'll make money in that. I tried to make money in that idea yesterday, but the conditions of it was not trending, which is out of my control. But I can control my entries. So my entries look the same, but now given the price action that I'm seeing, I have to manage it differently. Of, okay, don't let this thing, what's telling you there's support down here, 1, maybe even 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Even over here, I know it finally breaks out 7 times. Are you going to take profits down there, or are you just going to let it go an 8th time and a 9th time? Get green, because I didn't do it yesterday because I was off the desk. But on NQ specifically, I don't care if you missed this move, right? Because you bailed on your earlier short. That's fine. You were short back here. You didn't get this move. That's fine. You could have. Don't care. Let it pull back. Here's your opportunity. Then take advantage of this one once it's starting to trend again. Trade the trend. If trend's not there, just walk away, because you guys are probably going to get chopped up and flip from shorts to longs, from longs to short, just all over. But heading into the entry here, like this, once it folds down, at that time when you're taking the very first entry of the day, you don't know it's going to be choppy, so you take a good setup. Now that you took that good setup and it's been 40 minutes and you have all this information of, okay, this looks kind of ass. Doesn't look like I'm wrong, but this looks kind of ass. Let me manage this a little bit differently than those ones that, I mean, how could I have not made money on this? It was almost impossible. It moved down to my profit in 7 minutes, less than that, right? So it didn't even give me time to fuck it up. Where this one, you're sitting in it, draw down into profit, support again. All this ugliness could come in, and we don't want that. Be a really nice retest yesterday. Would have been nice to be at the desk, but it's all right. Made some money in the afternoon on a little long scalp, of all things. I think I made 300 bucks on that, or 250 plus the 80 I was already up. Where are we? This. And if you look at the options, actually, my options shorts yesterday, I did make money because I never pulled it. Like I didn't bag profits here, like break even, like I did on the futures side of things. There's really there's no stop loss at opening range high on my options play. Even if there was, it would have held. But I hold through all this. I actually add in 10 more contracts, as you can see on this one here. And then I got out at the bottom of the range again. And this is when it finally broke out. But again, I don't know that until it happens. So I was short back here, went through a lot of drawdown, a lot of decay. I get back in, I add in some more, able to make some money on that push. All right, take it. Give me that shit. Because it could have been way worse. Could have went back inside the range. I could have had to sit through for like another hour. Could have lost. So it was a good day in the options. And it was even a fine day in the futures for what it was. Right, you got 31 to 70, 40 points. Nothing flashy. But it'll do the trick. But yes, make sure you guys join stream this afternoon, this morning, wherever you're watching from. But we'll keep this stream running. We'll do some giveaways, but you got to be a member to be involved in the giveaways and get access to all this ASFX TV. And up here, you can see all the replays from streams this week, even more. But this is what you guys all need to watch over the weekend. VWAP bounce. So if you're not at the VWAP, it can't possibly be bouncing off the VWAP for you to be in it. Take it to the bank. Now NQ here just keeps on going. We got 20 minutes until the open. If we open up here, I would like to see us get back a little bit closer to the POC and overnight VWAP. It touched overnight at midnight, and in Asia, I know Austin had a long in here. I was actually looking at it as well, but I did not. So if we could pull back a little bit, see if maybe buyers step in there, we can buy it back up for the next higher high. We'll see what this Friday has in store on a bearish week. How are stocks set to maybe open up? Nvidia's going to have a little small gap up. How about these chip stocks that have been fucking me? All right. Soxel's going to be gapping up. Micron as well. SanDisk as well. Small. Microsoft small gap up. Nothing major at all. Okay. Why is Apple at the bottom here? We'll see if those gaps sustain or if they're just going to try to fill them right back down. Wasn't convinced. Yeah. No, Nate, no. I need some of your trading patience. You could have it. If you just want to take your trading seriously, it's very easy to be patient when you treat it like a business and you want to make money. It takes time, though. Yes, of course. But time of not taking it seriously and not treating it like a business, and you just get sick of that after long enough. So now it's been enough time. Let's say, okay, let's change some shit. Exactly. Yeah, 08 lows. What? Let's go even further. Let's go back to zero. Let's reset this whole market.
Good morning, bro. Good morning, everybody.
Yo. So yes, just looking like a nice pullback week. We made an all-time high on last Thursday. Just a nice pullback. Who knows what next week could do? I know a few of you had like a previous all-time high view up on when we broke out of that a couple weeks ago at the beginning of the month. See if it wants to retest that later on. Then NQ still hasn't made that all-time high. Should still be sitting on its all-time high view up here. Yes, still retesting it for the past week or two. But is that technically a bearish day? Am I looking at a bearish day here on NQ? I am. So NQ's now had 5 red days in a row. Sheesh. Every day this week has been red on NQ, slightly.
Catch me up on what with your pre-market prep here. Give me the summary of everything you talked about so far, since I'm just getting to the desk. Where are we at?
Is that how the stream works, chat? You could just come in late and be like, "Hey, teacher."
Yeah, dude. Hey, chat. Get on my side
that?
with this. This guy should know how it is. When you're a streamer, you got to repeat yourself. People are just tuning in, just getting their coffee, dude. Some of us have kids. All right, we don't just get to hop on stream in the morning.
It was funny on stream. I forget the name, or maybe I do it. I'm just not gonna say it. They're like, "Hey, I just got in. I was late. Can you go over everything you just did again?" It's like, "Oh yeah, this is your stream. Let's just." He missed the information. Let's just go over all of it again.
In this case, though, you could say that to me, and it is my stream technically. You know, so
it was just, it was funny. I was just like, no, rewind.
I'm asking for two sentences.
Rewind
here,
it. I'm not going to
all
go
this
over
complaining, and he could have just answered
again.
the fucking question already. Come on, give me the summary so we can talk baseball for a second before the main stream.
Summary was everyone better be selling it or buying it at a VWAP, or I'm gonna smack them. Okay. And there was money to be made on NQ yesterday on the pullback to VWAP again. I got like 12:45, 1 o'clock. I wasn't at the desk. Good options day yesterday. Scalped the afternoon long. Bearish week.
Where are you at on payout stuff? Like, how close are you with the TOF account?
500 away.
Can we get it today, chat? Can we fucking get it? Can
that.
This guy take the trade on the right account and not give me some dumb excuse? You see me out here, bro. I'm trading.
Look at yesterday's trades. Yesterday was ass. Well, that was yesterday. Nice little long.
Yesterday it kicked over. I mean, it was not ass in the afternoon yesterday. You know what I mean?
This was the short back here. I just wasn't there. 12:45. It's the same price I sold it at earlier when I was in the chop.
Right.
But this whole idea of like,
so what were all these wins on yesterday?
You need 1 or 2 wins to get a payout. It's like, you're gonna give me this fucking bullshit.
What were all the wins yesterday on your evals?
even all the wins. It was just this. These aren't really wins. This is like $80, and then I sprinkled on another. Yeah, that was literally break even on this first one, and then maybe 80 because it was only 2 contracts, so $4 times 20 points. It looks like I was in profit at this time.
Yeah.
Very small, but yeah, I made like 250 on this one, so I ended up like 300 on the day.
Okay, good.
Yeah, and then
You want to
all the options
see?
as well.
You want to see? I want to go over this later on stream to show everybody these accounts, how long I've had these funded accounts and these direct accounts. 22 days on both of these. I mean, that in itself, I feel like is pretty good. But look at that, bro. 65 to 69. If I would have just held the one mini, dude, it's 10 micros. Like my overnight, that's 3 in a row. My overnight trades would just rip, and I haven't held them. But yeah, I didn't know if we were going to move all the way back up to value area low. If you looked, I think the past couple of days, yesterday and the day before, and maybe one day earlier this week, we've just opened on one side of the value area and stayed there. You know what I mean? And I think that's why the break and retest has paid well. I got a lot of good markups we'll go over this week. I'm sure you do too. So we'll definitely get into it with everybody on stream. Yeah, now 77.06, which is that pre-market high. That's got the fat stack of orders that you see on Bookmap.
Yeah, see if we can come back down a little bit closer to overnight VWAP. It's going to end a bearish week. It would take
What are we wearing today? What are you wearing? Columbia? Is that Columbia?
It's Vanderbilt University. Only
Oh, nice.
$5.
I couldn't see that. That's nice. That's good. I like that.
Yeah, I guess it is.
We got LeBron was really speaking high praises of Tyrese Maxey.
Well, he's got it. It's his teammate.
No, but he was saying even before, like he was like, no, like that guy can ball. The guy can ball. I can't like find my likes anymore on my Twitter page. Like it says videos, reposts, replies.
There. No, it's not there.
Likes are just not important anymore. That was important to me.
You got to go to like your settings.
Oh no,
like
here it says history.
Your profile,
history.
go to your your activity and your history.
Right here on the left side now, history and then likes.
Yeah.
All right, baseball first, dude. Look at these cleats. Bryson Stott's wearing tonight for his son. Pretty swag with the Toy Story, especially with your Toy Story meme you sent. I thought you'd like that. So that was the first one I wanted to show you. Dude, you see this? Good one, right? That's a good one. That's a good one.
One last ride, yeah.
Yeah, this was good too. I liked this post you did.
Clean. That was a good one.
So look, this is what he said. I'm working out at 5. He's in the gym. We're in the gym. His dedication, he shows up. I talked about it when we played Philly not too long ago, how incredible a player he is. Saying he's a nice guy too. So we'll see.
Yeah, now imagine like that competitive spirit. You're like, fuck, LeBron's gonna be in the gym at 5. I gotta get there at 4:30. Fuck me.
Oh yeah, dude. Watch this. There's a pitch. Which pitch is it? This next one. Watch. Look at that thing drop, bro.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
I love the overlays. I've done it with like schemes where they overlay that with his fastball. It's the same mechanics, the same release point. And it's like, yeah, that's why when I'm yelling at the TV, like, what the fuck are you swinging at?
Oh,
I'm like,
he's got the guy on his knee, bro. Yeah, it's crazy when you look at
they all look the same until they don't.
Right. It is. Those are the craziest graphics for sure.
Yeah,
oh
like,
yeah, I need. Did you
split blink to decide, is that a curve? I don't know. Let me hope it is.
The subtle cultural differences between 1999? They're blasting Creed in this highlight video going into the fucking ALCS. Can you take me higher? Just blasting it. Just some like white boy rock. I think that's the point of the post. You know what I'm saying?
Edit.
Now, talk to me.
How do we talk? Does that matter?
How do we feel about this?
Even my boy Joe Flacco's on there.
Bro,
who cares?
Jersey shows up. Jalen Hurts is on there twice, bro. Twice.
Highest graded. Like, who cares?
That means out of all the QBs in the Super Bowl, he's had 2 of the best QB performances in the Super Bowl history.
That just means highest graded. Like he could have went 2 for 2 on pass attempts, and that's a high grade because he didn't have incompletions. And
we both know he didn't go 2 for 2.
But like that doesn't mean much. They could have ran the ball out the ass. I'd want to see his stats in that game because I don't remember. Like, show me Jalen Hurts both Super Bowl game stats. Was he putting up 4 touchdowns, 350 yards, or like was it
17 for 20.
120?
Here you go.
What'd he do?
17 for 20, 17 for 22,
Oh.
77 percentage, 222 yards, 2
200
TDs,
yards.
1 interception. And then 300 yards, 27 for 38, 1 TDs, no interceptions.
1 touchdown. We're being like, this guy's the best Super Bowl performance.
It's about
You don't think
efficiency.
Tom Brady's
Every
comeback
pass
is better
was
than
on
that?
average 8 yards. He still put up 300 yards. It's efficiency. He didn't turn the ball over. He don't like turning the ball over.
Yeah, because he just handed it off. It's tough to do that. You don't think Tom Brady's performance was better? Was it on there? Joe Flacco's is on there.
Joe
But I'm
Flacco's
still
on
saying
there.
like that's weird. Like, I don't care about that.
Yeah, Rodgers is on here. Manning's on here.
Yeah, not one Brady in 7 of his
No.
Super Bowls. It's just he never had a good performance, huh?
I guess not. That's a good question. What's Tom Brady's highest
It's been ass.
QPR in the Super Bowl? Right, it's QPR, right?
Uh,
125
That's rating. I guess that's the same as grade.
in the Tampa Bay game. That was his highest one.
It was what?
125.
Yes, where the hell is that? Okay, the highest on that list was 92. So fuck,
Yes.
that's different. The rating and the
All right.
grade.
You're exposing this powered by PFF list. Maybe
Yeah.
since 2006. Since 2006. So how
That's
is that not
stupid
on?
Brady.
That's 2021. Yeah, 125.
No, that's like grading. It's like out of 100, here's what you got in your test.
highest grade.
A 92. Your rating goes up to 128, I think. 128.3 is the highest for whatever reason.
Let's see what
Because
they say.
Lamar has like the most.
Oh,
or,
81.
like,
His highest pro football focus. Yeah, there it is an 81 in
that
2005.
must be a pro football focus thing.
But
Only
still,
they do
look,
those
look,
grades.
22 for 33, 236, 2 touchdowns. Same as Jalen Hurts, basically.
What Super Bowl is that?
That was in 2005. You
That's
were a young
yeah.
against the Eagles. No, I remember that. They kicked a field goal to win it against my Eagles.
That's also
That was when
05,
Donovan
so I wouldn't be
McNabb
in
and
it
T.O.
anyways.
Yeah. So that's why he's not on the list. So it's good. So it's we're accurate.
I just don't
It's
know.
also since 2006. You don't know because Lamar's not on there. That's all you don't know. Dude, all right, another Phillies thing. $25 in 2004. They still had tickets back then. When was the last time you saw a ticket? I'd kill to get a
Still have-
ticket right now.
I still have
30.
some of the tickets from
I
Yankee
wish
games.
I did. And on the back
I
of
had
it,
one at the-
10% off at Modell's. You could go buy some shit.
Shells? Shit. Sports
Crazy,
Authority?
dude. I'm taking you back, bro. I'm taking you back.
I still have them from the Yankees inaugural season in 09.
It's crazy. Yeah, I'd like to buy something like that. That's a bunch of cool tickets. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I have one from the Giants where it had like a picture of Eli and Plaxico Burress. Plaxico Burress shot himself in the leg. Yeah.
Yeah.
The tickets were
Shame.
cool because they're like, yeah, I went to that game. I have the ticket. I was there. It's like, want to show? I'll show you my QR code download of that game I went to in 08.
Right. Lame.
Now you want to flex it.
Who did the Phillies just sign? Some pitcher? Oh, yeah, this is a crazy stat. Most strikeouts in the NL. I know you don't care about the National League, but look at that. 3 of our starters above Paul Skeens, too. That's tough.
He's got no
right, so-
offense or what? The offense struggling to put up runs?
No, dude, we're 13-5 in August.
Because there was a graphic of like the Yankees' last 3 losses. The starting pitchers let up 2 runs combined in the 3 games.
That's
But we didn't
disgusting.
score any runs. So it's like, well, the pitching wasn't the problem. We didn't hit at all.
Right.
Our starting pitching was actually locked down.
Where are the Yankees on here, actually, in August? I don't see them. I don't
Phillies
think
are
they've had
dominating in August.
Yeah.
I guess they don't have 8 wins or 9 wins.
Sad. Yeah, so this guy, Nestor Cortez, left-handed. He's coming to the
He
Phillies.
used to be a Yankee.
No way. We got him.
Yeah. And then he started for the Brewers last year on opening day, and we fucking whooped him. Just can of ass. That was the year
He's
of the
been passed
torpedo
around.
bats.
This guy's he's not a loyal. He's been passed.
But those torpedo bats, that was the opening day of that year. The
Oh,
Yankees just
yeah.
hit like
Remember
5
those?
home
The
runs
fat
off him in
ones?
the first inning, and they were like,
Oh my
"What?"
god.
That was against him.
This was the post I was telling you about yesterday. Look, the 2031 lineup has still Alec Boehm, Derek Hill still in it, DH Kyle Schwarber, old as shit, and Bryce Harper, first base, still in there, dude. That's 7 years from now, bro. 6 years from now.
And Nestor Cortez and the Yankees.
Yeah, this is our schedule, bro. What do you think of that? We're done with the Marlins. We're going back into the Cardinals now. Then we got the Mariners, who could play. The Angels, we hopefully sweep that. This one's important. Diamondbacks, then Braves. Luckily, the Astros aren't playing great right now. And then Braves again. And then like this at the end is, I feel like, the toss-up. Because if you can sweep the Nationals and the Mets, or at least win 3 of the Mets and then sweep the Nationals, this isn't as important. But if you lose in those series, I feel like these become really hard because those are winning teams, you know?
Yeah.
It's tough. It's a tough end of the schedule. How are we looking here? Oh, good. We love this pullback. Yeah, but St. Louis is playing good ball too. They've been winning.
The Yankees have 10 wins in August now with yesterday's win.
Yeah, so that post might have been a day old. I bet the Yankees last night. I hit. I lost. For the football, I had the under in both games. I lost that, but I had the winners of both games correct. The 49ers and the Raiders. So the under did not hit there in the preseason, but I'm gonna keep betting the under, bro.
Yeah. Yankees are only 2 games back from the Rays, or 4 games back from the Rays, but they have the second best record in all of American League.
Yeah. Yeah, see with the Braves winning.
Damn Brewers. 79 wins. Dodgers 77. Yeah, you guys have 70.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this weekend will be good. I mean, this is really tough because I want to say we lost all 3 to St. Louis like recently. No,
we lost 2 to them.
Yeah, we dropped 2 and 1, 6-5, 2-0, 7-1, and now we're playing them tonight at 6:40.
They're 500 team, 66,
yeah, they're
63.
They're in it now. Like they're coming up right now. They're playing good now, so they're going to give you a hard time. Do I need to buy any more accounts, chat, before we get the day started? Oh yeah, so look at this. So you see I'm green here from the win last night. It says $5,000 because it counts towards today's trading, but on the journal, it just reduced my red day yesterday.
That's like TradeZella.
Yeah.
If it was before midnight.
Correct. So whatever I do today will show up as a second trade here, or a first trade here, but a second trade in the cockpit.
In the cockpit.
Yeah, let me get the mainstream started and we can rock out here, everybody.
We don't have to end this one. Stick around. But if you want to join the giveaways and join us all next week on stream and watch the courses over the weekend, head to the links in our bio and sign up for ASFX TV.
Now, let's get this day going, dude. Let's have a good Friday, everybody. We're going to take a quick 5-minute break. We'll be right back, and we are going to hopefully find some good trades today. So hang out with us.
Overnight V-Web cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. VOC sent to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 at closest, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week V-Web rising, month V-Web 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth. That's how it's done. Come on. Seen Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside range, dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. VOC, VAH, VAL, that's the only A. Week VWAP, rising month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth, that's how it's done. Hey. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the values lie. VOC, VAH, VAL, we're
sidebar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way through the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. We're trading, trading, trading on. Steady as the sun. This groove goes on and on.
Happy Friday. Thanks for being here with us. We're live on X this morning and YouTube, letting the people that are not subscribed to ASFX TV see what we do every single day. So we're now shifting our focus to prioritize our members. So good morning, everybody. I see a spam in the chat with the good mornings. Say good morning in the chat. Let me know who's having a good Friday morning so far. Here's your bell. Stocks are open. Everything's going to start moving here. We're flat going into the open today. You see, I have a long last night, a small long that could have been a big long, but we'll talk about that once we get the stream going here. Bitcoin's up again, everybody, 5%. Throw that on the radar. 76K, almost 77K this morning. Silver's up 70-ish, 69. It's up 2%. Stocks are mixed this morning. So we're above value area low, but we're near POC. The common theme of the week, everybody, so we're going to talk about it a lot today. The common theme of the week is that location is going to make the difference in when we can shift the win rate even more in our favor. So inside this value area from yesterday, in this range, near this POC, trade ideas are going to probably have a slightly lower win rate with the way we use VWAP. Comparing that to what we've seen even just this week, when you're on one side of the value area or not, the win rate seems to increase. To what extent? I don't know. But if you're someone who's looking to shift probabilities in your favor, this is the lesson I would say of the week to keep in mind for sure. But good morning, everybody. Jimmy, RJ, Sheila, good to see you. Thanks for being here. Miguel, anybody new coming into the chat? Anybody new? I'm going to put the giveaway form in there. We're going to do a few Top 1 Futures giveaways as we get the stream going today. Top 1 Futures sale is still running, everybody. So everything at Top 1 Futures is still 55% off. And remember, that ends at the end of this month. What also ends at the end of this month is our huge cash giveaway. We're giving away $3,000, $1,000 to 3 people just for using the code ASFX at checkout. So you can try their evals with the Elite Access or the Elite Daily. You can try their Instant Sim or their Ignites. Those are the instant fundeds that we like. All of it, as long as you use our code, support our channel, me and the boys got to eat. As long as you support us, we're going to make sure we give that back to you every single month. So this month, it's all about the cash giveaway. And I have good news for those of you that are here every day and you're thinking, what are they doing next? We are moving the ball forward, definitely with an NFL giveaway, NFL ticket giveaway next month. So I'm working, boys, I'm working. But this month, we're really, really focused on the 55% off, 60% off if you bundle 5 accounts. Use our code, you enter in the cash giveaway. That's what we're focused on right now. So we'll talk this morning about a lot of things. First, I'll show you I'm up 49.49 from the win last night. I am only showing 17 accounts today, everybody, because I have good news. I am not able to trade the pre-live account anymore, so I lost that where I was at 18. Now I'm at 17, but we are making progress getting me this first live account from Top 1 Futures. So hopefully next week I have an update on that. So that's why it says 17 accounts. If you look at the cockpit here, you'll see last night's trade is showing up in today's P&L, which is what it's supposed to do because it is technically the next day. However, on the journal, you'll see it just reduced my red day from yesterday. So that's why it's not showing up in today's P&L on the journal. I already messaged them and they're going to look to sync those up. So a couple other things I want to show you before we get into the day as people are tuning in. You know, if you're a newbie here, we do not take trades until the opening range is set, especially on a day like this where it could set us up for a really good trade. We want to let this first 15 minutes come in. Someone asked me yesterday, the guy that I'm working on the book with, he was like, why do you even come to the desk? And I was like, it's only because we stream and we do the education. If we weren't doing this, I wouldn't even come to the desk until after the opening range was set. You know what I mean? But I also know I have the discipline now to sit here and not force a trade. So I told him that I think younger Austin should have done that. Now I don't need to do that as much. But I want to show you guys something that I'm having an okay month. I'm green. I'm surviving. I know a lot of people have blown accounts this month. I'm proud of myself for not doing that. You know, if you look at these Lucid Direct accounts, this is the direct account I took a payout on at the end of last month. This was one of my 7 payouts last month. Green, except for one day from start to the end of the month with this account. The account started on the 13th. And then look at August. It's been a little bit tougher. So I want you to see it. It's not just all of the accounts or whatever you want to say. I want you to see the individual P&L here too. We're just trying to survive, really. But as a whole, all of my accounts now going into this morning, we are in the green this month, 4,200. Remember, I was plus $700 to start this week. So I am up, even with yesterday's red day. I'm up. And I'm going to keep that in mind going into today. I don't want to go into the weekend in a worse spot than where I started the week. I want to go in only to the weekend, like where I'm at now or better. So I'm going to be really, really particular with what we trade. Rob said, this month has been tough. I froze. Am I frozen, boys? Evan or Randy? No. Okay. You froze, E-Trades. You froze. So let me show you yesterday's trades, everybody. I want to talk about that. And then I do want to honestly do a recap with you of the whole week. I think that could be valuable as well, just to go over everything we've seen, what's working, what's not working. So last night's long is this. I liked using the low here to see a bounce higher. So I was long at 65, out at 69. Why was I long biased? Same thing from last week. If you follow all my trades, you know what happens. I lose in the New York session, and then I keep the bias and I try to make the money back in the Asia session. That's what's been working. Yeah, no heat map, no heat map. What does that mean, no heat map? Anyone else heat map not loading on TradingView? Heat map on TradingView. Yep. We're starting off with the interesting questions, everybody. Interesting questions. Heat map on TradingView. Heat map. What does that mean? Like heat map on Bookmap or heat map here? Yeah, no data match criteria. So if you're talking about this heat map, yes, this is not loading. Heat map on Bookmap is working fine. Stream froze me twice. You're on now. Mine's not either. Okay, so heat map's down for everybody. So it's a TradingView thing there. But Bookmap, heat map is fine. It's stupid that they're the same name. That's why it confused me, Sheila. All right, let me just do this real quick. We'll go over yesterday's trades. Try to stick with me. So green in the morning, I was up 5K, and then I flipped it, finished the day down 8K. That's the summary. What did I do? I was short here, out at the low to the left on NQ, and then same thing again here on NQ, out at the low to the left. Very scalpy on NQ. NQ was the one I should have been in as the day carried lower. If you look at this second markup I put in, if I would have just stuck with the short here, we would have made great money as the day continued lower. The double break had 2 longs yesterday, but we weren't interested in it because we were under value area low. So we were only looking for shorts. All of the location of what we're looking for is determined by the value areas right now, basically, and the trend of the VWAPs. So those shorts on NQ were the wins that I took in front of you guys. And then I did play this double break long on ES. Breakout here. Your trigger signal is here. I got in here. I didn't hold it till target, but I know some of you did. So I think that was a good win. And then let's just get to the bad trade. This is the one that I fucking fucked it up with. Nope, wrong markup. Do I not have? Did I copy the wrong markup? Maybe I did. I'll show it to you here. So YM really quick. YM losing double break signal here, winning double break. So 2 trades there on YM if you're taking every single one. NQ. Why is that not working? There we go. NQ. So YM, 50% win rate yesterday on the double break. NQ, if you took the double breaks, you lost both of them. But ES yesterday, what I did, I don't know why it's not showing. Basically, I bought the double break again at 7,700, and I didn't get stopped out at the low. I got stopped out at the end of the day. That's it. I don't know why I don't have the markup, but I basically tried to play. I'll go to the 1 minute and show you. I tried to play the double break again because I liked the low holding, and I just stayed in the trade all day like I did last week, and then I take the loss. It's stupid. The mistake is just not getting stopped at the lows. That's the continued mistake that I make. It's just not getting stopped out correctly. It's quite annoying, but I'm just trying to take it in stride. You know what I mean? I just think out of all the things I do, I have such good reads. I let myself think I'm not going to be wrong, and it's retarded. But I know I'm going to be wrong. When I talk to you guys and I say it, I'm like, of course I'm going to be wrong sometimes. And I do lose sometimes well, most of the time. But then sometimes I do shit like this. So basically what I did, I bought it right there at 77.04. And it instantly went into drawdown, which my good trades never do. So I really should have cut it here. But I didn't. I had to stop at the low at 76.80. And then again, I didn't get stopped out. I just sat in it because it was small. And that's what ended up flipping the 5K green, almost 6K green, down into 8K. So love that. Tough. But we endure. I think the big lesson I can share with you guys for that is just with trading, the way that we do it and the way that I think works well over the long term with this short-term scalping thing, you are going to take losses. How you handle the loss, how many days you give yourself to make it back is the key. It's not about making it back in one trade. In that, though, when you start winning, you've got to take stops well. I think it's not just me that struggles with this. I'm sure other people struggle with being hot and then not taking a stop well or adding into trades and then it bites you. You got to know what your wins and your losses look like. And I knew, like I just showed you, I knew it wasn't doing what it should do if it was a winning trade. But because I was trading smaller, I stay in it. So size does make an impact in my decision making there as well. So you guys can see from the outside how it's never perfect. But as long as you try to separate the mistakes and have them not cost you a lot of money, each time maybe less and less money, you can string a good month together. Usually, if we look back, July, I don't know why it's not showing. Oh, it's not showing the pre-live account, but July was green except for 2 days. You know what I mean? So we're going to run hot and then we're going to have to survive. And I just try to show you guys that as much as possible. So I'll take any questions about those trades, of course. Anything you need. Why double break long on ES? Wasn't it below value? Absolutely. That's what I just said, Scott. But I made money on the double break long already, Scott. I played it. I liked it. So all the double breaks yesterday, 1 for 1 on ES here. 1 loss, 1 win on YM here, 50%, and then 2 losses on NQ. That was all 5 double breaks yesterday. And then what I did was just, like I said, kind of played this same price of 7,700. But it's an easy trade, Scott. Like anyone can understand what I was doing, buying it above VWAP where I just showed you, right? Like you can all see the trade. What's wrong with the trade? Nothing. The wrong is not getting stopped out when it takes 7,700 and fucking goes lower. And then I could have just flipped and shorted it, but I don't. So that's the problem. You know what I mean? It's not the entry. It's not the theory of why are you buying the double break below value area low? Because it's still a fucking double break. I don't want you, Scott, or anyone in here. And I was saying this to Jason about the book. I don't want people to think, okay, we're under value area low. I cannot be a buyer. Not necessarily. It just favors shorts. It's a really good point though, Scott. You feel me on that? Steph, I love you. You are my favorite person here. Why the double break long? Okay, I answered that. What other questions? I'm putting the giveaway form in the chat too for top 1. Can you explain how previous value areas influence the direction of the double break? I kind of just did, Daniel. Below value area, no longs, vice versa. So let me go through the week then. Why don't we do that? Unless anyone's like rushing into a trade right now. Get the music going. Let me just go over some things this week. So let me show you this. We'll go to Wednesday, right? And then Daniel, hopefully this will help clarify. So Wednesday's a really good example of kind of what I'm talking about. On Wednesday, 77.30, it's a thin dotted line right here. That's value area high right there. So you get a double break long, which I took here. That wins. You also get a break and retest here. You could have been long right in here. So above value area high, longs on the double break and longs on the break and retest, I think are where we want to be. It's going to be the higher win rate trade. But Daniel, does that mean we couldn't short under VWAP here and make money back down into previous day? Still above value area high. Some people like that trade. Stop loss right here, and they're going to scalp it down for the next level. So you can still do that. I don't want people to be closed off to that. But what I do, Daniel, then puts me in the bias to then still come in and scalp stuff like that. Working a long, working a price. 77.35 was the price based on that first double break back there. So that was Wednesday. And I think now that gives you some clarity on what I'm saying about positioning. Here's another good example. And I have this coming in a YouTube video so everybody can review it there too. But really look at the screen, everybody, and follow me here. Actually, I'll make this bigger because we don't need both that. This is the Russell. We're going to look at the Russell based on its location. Look at POC. What does that mean? POC means we're in the middle of the range where we're getting the double break entry here. We have a double break entry here. That one loses. This one is basically a win. It's close enough. It should be a win, right? The point I'm making is at POC, so we are inside value area low and value area high. We have a 50% win rate today on the Russell on the double break. Okay, that makes sense to me because we're inside the value area. Flip that and look at what I just showed you where ES was. What do you get on ES? You get 2 winning longs, 1 double break, 1 break and retest. The point even more, there's a 100% win rate on the double break when you're above the value area high versus inside the value area on this day, comparing it to the Russell. You see, you get 1 signal here. You're above value area high in POC, so you're in the price expansion where longs should be favored. Does that make sense? So even in just looking at those two, I'll put it up again. Look at value. Save this. Screenshot this. Value area high, easy longs. Inside value, 50%. One loser, one win. That's exactly what like if I had to embody what I'm trying to get across through this week, it's in these two markups. You know what I'm saying? And I'll show you, we can go back to Tuesday. So doing good daily report cards makes this easy for me, right? Tuesday was the day the baby was born. I had 2 scalps there. That's not the point though. This is what I was going to show you. Tuesday, undervalue area again, double break loss, double break long lost, or undervalue. So even more on Tuesday, you see it. And then on Monday, 2 more I'll show you. NQ, where are we on NQ Monday? Monday, look, double break, stopped us out with a pin, me and Evan. Remember? It was off the value area. So even being at the value area, everybody, is not going to make it 100% win rate every fucking day, right? Promise me, understand that. But like Evan and I were able to get back in and work it. 50% win rate here. We lost 1, we won 1, but we made it work. Being in that value area high position, the location of that, we're confident in those longs. See that? So that's Monday NQ. And then Monday ES. Look at where we are. Value area low. It was the complete opposite of NQ. What did we do? I shorted it here and I shorted it here off the value area low. So you see, it's all about the location. We're inside the range, kind of like we are, I think, today. It's going to go either way. You can make money long and short. That's kind of how I would say it, I think. Inside the range, I could justify money long or short. It's going to be 50-50. But under the value area low, probably want to be short. Above value area high, probably want to be long. And yesterday's loss of me being long above New York VWAP, I still bought it yesterday above New York VWAP. It didn't work. It instantly turned against me, like Scott said, because we're under value area low. So I'm not trying to drive it home too much, everybody, but let me just say one more time. Don't just think shorts only under value area low. Just favor them. See that they have if you can see the short setup and we're in that value area low, you might want to lean into that versus the long. Because what's going to go through your head is we're going to be under the value area low, and you're going to say, what am I doing? Do I double break long? Do I double break short? Do I break and retest long? Do I break and retest short? No. Under the value area low, longs are kind of off the table. This will look really good for me to do that. Like yesterday's did on ES. But putting aside the problem, I didn't get stopped at the stop. It should have been. Still look good. There was a bottom. I took New York VWAP. I can play that. You know what I'm saying? So don't shut off either side of the trade based on location. But lean one side of when we are outside of value because of expansion, because of what we've seen. You know what I'm saying? So, what's up, Ev?
What's up? Happy
Why am I not
Friday.
wearing a shirt? I know, it does kind of look like my skin color.
Hassan is a double break. Yeah, NQ's holding right on its overnight. Blew up quite nicely.
Are we in
See
Q
if
today?
NQ gives a quick double break long here.
That
Broke the
previous
range
in New
there.
York there too?
New York Phil just flipped underneath the overnight, right on the POC.
Is that previous day New York there too?
Turned it off. Maybe.
All right, we're green on the heat map now. I'm back up. The only thing red is Eli Lilly. There we go.
I mean, yeah, Apple and Nvidia are down since they're open. Same with Amazon. They're moving lower, even if they're still holding up green for now. Chip stocks are trying to bounce back up again. YM looks good above its overnight. So all three look like they could try to give longs. But yeah, NQ's at its previous days in New York. I'd like to see it take its POC in New York view up to be a true double break. I like the way ES looks of like you have the overnight, then New York. But then, yeah, now you have previous days in New York smack in the middle on a very bearish week. But do we want to give a little bit of relief bounce on a Friday? But no trades yet. That's not Hans, Evan, NQ short. I'm not going to short it on the first break of opening range low. Not off the New York VWAP. There's no structure to trade into. You'll know when I'm taking something.
Yep.
It's been all
Everybody,
buyers, though. Higher highs and higher lows. We're not beneath the yesterday's low. I'm not going to sell the first idea I have to be short. No.
Anthony, good point. Everybody, the giveaway form is in the chat if you're on ASFX TV. If you're watching on X or on YouTube, you can click the link in my bio. You can sign up right now. Take the free trial. It's 7 days. That's how you get involved in the giveaways. We got 3 we're giving away today. So you just got to hang out with us. See if we take a double break here first. I'll buy the double break on NQ, bro. I like it. It's going to be right off POC, so it's going to be a 50-50. So I wouldn't go super heavy into it, everybody, based on everything I just fucking ranted about. But I'm still going to take the double break there.
I want ES to smack its open range low right here. Let's both break it.
Yeah, NQ's back sitting on it. Okay, good. Doesn't seem like it all remains quite so good. Yeah, Daniel, and I'm not I'm not saying I'm finalized on anything. I don't think. Don't ever think we're not going to modify and change. Market conditions are changing, so we're just trying to adapt. You know, we had a good call. Couple, I'll tell you while we're watching this. Couple things we met with St. Lucia yesterday. They run an options room, and we're trying to work with them to maybe get some data and information for them, which because we know the options dealers are really moving the futures markets a lot now. So we want that information. So we're trying to get that to you guys as quickly as we can. I told you about the top one futures giveaway. I don't want to forget to remind you two other things though. TradeSyncer above Evan's head discount there. It's a free trial and 30% off. So if some of you are on the fence about copy trading, this is a good time to try. With them hooking us up, free trial, 30% off. Take that. Second thing is just the giveaway or the indicators on the lifetime sale. You see the link at the bottom of the screen. One of our old Blackshirt Club members, Nick Jocelyn, was on stream this morning talking up the indicator. Everybody loves it. So you can get it for $100 a month. It'll automate everything, the value areas, the VWAPs. It'll take care of all that for you. Or you can get it now for $750, and then it covers for lifetime and all the updates we do and everything like that. So I just don't want everyone to overlook that because it will be done quick. End of August is going to be here in a second. So, hi, Randy.
Good morning, fellas.
Yeah, the new NQ time and the nanos. The new NQ time is probably the crazier one. What, 9 p.m. to 4 a.m.?
Yeah.
The nanos are so fucking small. What are you doing?
I'm no interest in the nanos, my side.
Yeah, it's more so
I thought the nanos were a joke. I know the time.
I thought so too, to be honest.
Yeah.
But no, they're not. They're definitely not. And I would love to try it just to see what the commissions on it are. It's gonna rape you. It's just what it's gonna be. Oh, look, James on his options calls, Robinhood gapped up today a little bit, 106. So he got it at 95. He's out at 106. Bruce just posted his markup.
Bruce, I love it.
You just tell this guy to trade options and he figures it out, dude.
No one ever understands his trades. They're just always in the blue.
They're always in the blue. Speaking of, we should pull up some Vanquish here and see what we can cook now that the opening range is getting set.
Yes,
Randy, what's on your radar?
I'm looking at basically, we got 7,700 previous day's point of control, and that's the HVL flip. So we're still in that negative regime, trading below it. But I like to see us trade back up to basically 7,700, which is crazy because we pre-market there, we rejected off 7,705, and then NQ rejected off like 525.
Yeah.
And that's HVL on NQ too. So we're both indices are trading just below their HVL, which is lining up with previous day's point of control on ES, which I like. And then there's orders sitting there, not a ton, but we had some news coming a few minutes ago. I want to see that shake out. But this just could be an ugly, a little bit of a sideways day. It is Friday. We got no news now. Nothing really driving it. We had that move up in the overnight session.
Yeah, Caterpillar's up 1.5. Oracle's up 1.3. SanDisk, they're up. Micron's up 1.5.
So are you looking at all U.S. companies or just the ES? Because mine looks different than yours.
What is ES? ES does not have a heat map.
Sorry, S&P 500. That's
No,
what I meant.
I'm just looking at S&P 500. But I sometimes look at all companies.
Yeah, because it's showing Apple red on mine.
You're probably, I'm on pre-market still. That's why. There you go.
Oh, okay. Now we're good. Thank you.
Yeah, good call.
Heat map's
Dell.
new to me, so I want to make sure I got all the settings. I'm looking at it
Oracle's
right.
up 3 now, so that's where I was off. Oracle's up 3.
I think NQ is just trying to induce longs because they would look
Why
great
we
with the
take it
ES
down
off
to
its
value.
overnight. It just keeps on sinking. Gotta show some strength. If I buy it now, I want to buy it more than it's telling me that buyers are holding and we're going somewhere. See if it takes out Asia low.
Did SPY? Yeah, it's definitely 20%. All right, ES is out now. Off value area low. NQ coming lower too.
So now you can get the double break at least. Both of them could
Yep.
present a double break long. If ES took
100%.
its New York there, it's before a break of the range and you just get stopped out there for no reason. So hopefully no one long
had
ES
those-
before the break of the range.
You had those orders come on at 76.70 just after the open.
Richard,
That's
if
really-
you have the $100, yeah. So if you want to switch to the lifetime on the indicator, you can. If you're on the monthly, you can switch to the lifetime.
At 50?
So
Yeah, I see it. 655 contracts. I see that, Connor.
that's down there. New low a week.
So if you go back, those orders did come on in the overnight, and then they kind of thinned out and stayed on. So there's been orders resting there at 76.50. It just obviously bumped that right back up.
ES back under value area low now.
Oh shit! Yeah,
I'd
think
like
he's
to
right under POC.
Not chasing first breakout. Not doing anything yet. Still watching.
YM could give a double break short if it can get below
Right.
its New York.
That one would
Rejecting
maybe make
its
the most
POC.
sense. Like Anthony said, hasn't touched overnight VWAP in a long time.
But definitely something to watch on NQ. Like, see how this breaks outside the opening range low. It's pretty strong since the open down 200 points here. That if it just goes like another 50, even if it does pull back, I don't know if it's gonna be what our best double breaks look like when it leaves the range so quickly and strong. Can we reverse the whole open?
YM
Double
broke
break.
its open range to the top side.
Yeah, it's like with a wick and maybe a body. Not even. Like those are the clean ones. Where this could just be a breakout if it keeps on running more and more. Richard, the monthly would just be like on the left tab, right left of the lifetime tab on the indicator website. When you go to buy it at the bottom.
Yeah, I'll give you that link there, Richard. Gage, I wouldn't rush it, dude. It's Friday.
What's he saying?
He's feeling froggy. He wants to jump into something. Why don't you jump into the giveaway or jump into some new top one futures accounts? Get yourself into the $1,000 cash giveaway, Gage, and stop fucking around.
There you
No,
go.
you probably already bought 50. You know what I'm saying?
That's awesome.
That's the danger of having evals, Joe. Just like, oh, well, I can do it. I can feel something because I have this eval.
Discipline, young one.
I just always want to be in the locked in mindset.
No signal on YM. It pinned it. I'm going to like the ES one if it paints because you're going to say like, oh, nice. It held value area low. It's going to look like that.
Yeah, if you hold that New York view up above the overnight, too, you'll have full alignment besides previous days in New York.
Alex, I don't know what you're talking about.
I guess the duck race one. "30 minutes into our day. Let's close the week out with a solid trade."
I was going to say that's the problem, Gage. You just don't believe. You got to believe you're going to win, bro. You got to put it out there. Can't tell yourself you're already not going to win.
All right, let's see.
SanDisk now red, but choppy.
Hey,
Sideways,
interesting to see if
sideways.
YM kind of bounced off its New York. If it can break back above that opening range high, and then you get the double break long set up on ES.
What are we doing today, Ryan? Camels? All right. We can do camels.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Who said camels?
So important to have a community. Before ASFX video, I would have been taking 3 trades. 100%, Willie. 100%. Slow, slow, slow. Especially if you're green this week. You know what I'm saying? Gotta be slow. This month has been tough. So what are you gonna do? Yo, today's the day we go hard. For what? You know what I'm saying? To fuck it up? You gotta look at the month.
Friday. And it's Friday.
I just think I was talking to somebody yesterday. I forget. Had a lot of meetings yesterday. But I was just thinking, maybe it was Jason. We were talking about the book. And I was just saying, like, trading is so hard because people try to make all their money in one day. You know, you try to do it in a day and you don't see the week's P&L. You don't see the month's P&L. You don't zoom out. So try to keep that in mind, everybody.
I saw your post on X and it was really, to put that out there and people to see that, I think is really going to help them.
Which one?
That you
My beautiful
basically
backyard
you
with
took
the
seven
beautiful sunrise.
payouts in July, and here you are in August. You break even on the month, right? 3 weeks into the month.
Hey, I'm up $4,000 now. Right now, might be gone in a minute, but
I just think it's like people don't see that, right? People just see payout, and don't realize you're going to have a period of either.
I know, dude. That's why you'd be surprised at who I have on mute, everybody. Your favorite trading influencers, I probably have them on mute because They just post their green. It's fucking annoying. It's like, if you're that good at trading and you win every fucking day and you just make get off Instagram, faggot. You know what I'm saying? Like, what are you doing? You know, that's
Instagram, faggot.
what are you doing? What are you,
You got-
what
that
are you
should be your
doing
next
other
reel.
business for? If you win every day, if you know how to print money every day, what are you doing other business for? That's impossible in trading, in my opinion, other than Jim Simons, right? And that they definitely were doing something right. So like, we ain't that. You know what I mean? So as a trader, I think we show more of what it really means to be a trader. You're gonna have a good month, like last month, 7 payouts. June had 4, like bang, 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 and then this month, fuck, man. Couple of decisions different. This week too would be really good for me if I didn't fuck yesterday up. So it's like 3 decisions, everybody. I think for some of us in a month, 3 or 4 decisions a month can make or break the month. I always say that. Yeah, Connor, I've definitely not heard of Marine X Lambo, bro. I would rather rip my toenails off than look at anything by someone with the username Marine X Lambo. I might actually rather cut my ear off so I never have to hear those words together again.
Dude, I don't know how this guy infiltrated my algo, but he just came in there literally
you
a few
don't want to
days
see
ago.
it. I just hit you don't want to see it. I'm not interested.
I only opened it because he's talking about his computer setup, and I'm like, oh, this is so interesting. And he's like, I made $2 million trading today or something. And he shows this computer setup, and there's fucking wires everywhere. I can't wait to get to Mexico. I'm going to make a video of like how clean my computer is set up and how broke I am and how these guys that make $10 million are trading off of plywood fucking tables. Like, it makes me laugh. Like, I'm dying. Like, you want me to take you seriously and you got wires hanging everywhere like a jabroni? Like,
I mean, bro, not even the wires. You're going down a little bit of a nerd rabbit hole here. If you put Lambo in if you put a car in your name, you've already put yourself in a bucket, buddy. Like,
but you don't know if his parents named him Lambo. He could have had retarded
oh,
parents.
fuck off, Randy.
He could have went right down the family line.
I'm trying an options long here.
Too.
Yeah, good. I like the options long.
It's really like a 15-minute play. We got a new 15-minute candle right at 10 a.m. If it gives another bearish bar and we're taking out yesterday's low, then fuck me. I don't want to be long. So I'll try this on the options with like no stop loss, right? But see if we can get the double break on the future side of things back above VWAPs. But I'm just really just seeing if it does make another new low, then these longs shouldn't be in anymore. But if it can just consolidate around here and eventually work higher today, that could be fine.
Yep.
Because I'm literally beneath every VWAP. What's a price play? A feeler on the options. They're super cheap, 32 cents on the Qs.
Yeah, it's
Way out of
crazy.
the
I was
money.
looking at that yesterday with you, how cheap the Qs are compared to
Not normally.
SPY.
If I want to get like 713s right now, it'd be $1.26, which is normally what my trades are.
Can you pull up the indicator website and show Richard? I'm about to get in this trade, so I don't want to change my screen.
What am I showing?
He doesn't know where the monthly is.
So it's that
Zoom
word.
in on that. Yeah, click
Right
that,
there?
Richard.
It's all right.
Isn't that
all right,
great?
back to trading. Back to trading.
Don't make me call you it.
Stop.
Boom.
Oh, I know Richard personally.
I'm going to mute you
Expect
both.
better.
Stop trading. Leave him be. Help the people.
I did.
You guys are real Homelander, like help the people, but you do it with an attitude. I'm not getting these people off this plane. Fuck them. Fuck these people, bro.
We learn from the best now. Come on. Come on now.
Richard Petty, dude. It's Richard Petty. Great American.
You got to bust balls on a Friday.
No, I bust balls the rest of the whole week. Friday's casual, dude. Casual.
That was a real casual text this morning.
That was so funny.
Real casual, Randy.
Cash.
Yeah, you
I'm
got
gonna
Richard,
take
yeah.
some,
Yo, let me tell you, Randy sent my kid a birthday gift, bro. He loves this truck. So today I have to go get it for him because he's upset that it's in the other room and Riley's sleeping. I got to go in there and get it. So literal almost tears that the truck wasn't out in the living room. You know what I'm saying? So I had to go in there while she was sleeping and get it. And I go, okay, you gonna have your breakfast? And he goes, give me a minute, Dad. I'm like, what, bro?
Give me a minute.
Give me a minute? What are we doing? And then like this follows, chill. I'm coming. Chill. Like
That's my favorite.
a 3-year-old going, chill. What are we doing?
Chill. You're so stressed out, Dad. Chill. I'm coming.
So I'll tell
The
him, I said,
best
fuck
is-
you, bro. You chill. Fuck out of
The
here.
best is Miles is saying 1 more minute, and he has no fucking idea what
that's
1 more
10
minute
more
even
minutes.
is.
Leo goes 10 more minutes.
Yeah. And I'm like, okay, 1 more minute. A minute later, he looks at me and he goes, 1 more minute. And I'm like,
Right.
dude, do you even know what a minute is? Like,
No. That's funny.
I just heard
Zero
you say it
concept.
before, Dad.
okay, I bought some 766 calls, guys, on SPY. Those are longs. That's opening range high. See right here, I got him at 57 cents.
I'll be a
So-
good boy. I'll wait till we break New York VWAP.
Yeah, I was really tempted. You can see I have this thing sitting here waiting to push the trigger on it, so I had to go do something. So I went and bought some 766 calls.
I think everybody likes the long here because of the overnight VWAP. If the overnight VWAP wasn't here, you wouldn't like it as much, you know?
I mean, even if I just get a pullback closer to POC and VWAP, I could potentially be in profit on the options.
Yeah.
We'll see with decay. Maybe not. But like I bought the 716 calls, which would be up here. So it is, in fact, if we do turn back bullish, but anything in here would be a good nut. Since I have
So are you
50
telling me-
contracts, they're so cheap.
Your asset is worth less on options than our asset? Because I'm buying 766 and you're buying 716s. Like, sounds like the bitch asset. That's what it sounds like to me.
Okay, let's check
I
the
could be
volume
wrong.
on it. Let's see.
Okay, Randy talking shit is like, you remind me of like Will Ferrell. You know what I mean? Like, it's a nice guy. Like, just so
I'm chill.
nice. It's like, dude, stop trying to like talk shit. You know what I mean? You're fine. Leave that to the dickheads. All right, I'm long now. It painted on my screen and it filled
I'm
me
joining
crazy.
you.
That's clean. Just turn off the previous day's New York. We haven't really watched it this week. It's overnight in New York.
Let's see if we can get NQ to take its New York VWAP and get some alignment across the three.
Double
But
break
YM
boner
did go to
candle
the
on a
opening and diving.
Friday. Double break boner candle on a Friday. Let me get paid. Let a young man live. Come on.
Like 7 and YM look good. So let's do it. Back in profit on the options. Where's your stop on it? At structure low or even pre-market stuff?
Where the indicator tells me to.
Nice.
I have
Yeah,
mine
it's
at
nice, but
75.
it's not nice when I turn it off like I did yesterday. But I'm in 6 here, so I'm actually in 12 on some of the accounts. So I'm not going to turn this one off. I turned the stop off when the size is too small. That's a variable in this issue that I have, where I trade it too small and then I stay in it. Just fucking
I'd
stay in
rather
it.
you oversize.
Oh, no.
Degenerate than
Quote
be
that.
one micro.
Give me a second. 17 accounts gone. Relax, Evan. I'd rather
would
you
it be gone? You
oversize.
wouldn't
Don't
do
tempt
that
me
with
with a
your-
good time. Don't
You
tempt
wouldn't do
me.
that with your stop, so they wouldn't be gone. They would be
I
protected.
turned the multiplier off like a pussy.
No, it's,
They'd be
no, it's
respected.
not, dude. Stop. You're only saying that. You did the right thing, Randy. Stop.
Then one more time? Can you one more?
You
Can I hear
did the
that again?
right thing. You did it, dude. You fucking did it.
You did it.
Yo, so yesterday I was on Prop for Match TV. They were big up in me on this idea. Massages while we stream, boys. We become known as the 3 dudes. You seen these 3 dudes trading, getting massages? Like they got a lady behind them. That's our hook. That's what they come for. I think I'm onto something.
I want a
All
haircut.
of a sudden,
while I
we're so
stream.
calm in our trades and like we're not even talking during the stream. We're just humming
No,
away.
just chilled out, dude. Chilled out. Randy would definitely be drinking and smoking too on a Friday with the Friday neck massage. You'd have a bintang and a cigarette. Hard size on an eval. Nice, dude. We running into this. We could scalp out here and then come back.
Yeah, let's see what NQ
So
wants
what
to do. If it could take its VWAP, it'll be running right into the POC. And then overnight VWAP, but more so the POC is the level I want to see broken.
I'd like it to be done by 10:15. If this VWAP wasn't here, I'd feel really good about it. You know?
NQ's right at its New York. Let's just get buy NQ right now. Do something,
No, thank
please. Move your asset. Blow on the screen.
you. Yeah, I'll move it down. You didn't say which way. I'll just move it.
Dude, you know who would
been
really like
underneath.
the massages? Dave Ford. I feel like he would really like that idea.
Yeah. You would stop trading.
Oh, here. I'm gonna close my my options. I'm up $800.
Nice.
I can focus on my trade.
Boomer. Sorry.
I don't like to multitask. I like to just be
Nah, dude, it's good. It's good.
laser focused.
Yeah.
I'm copy trading. I got some good size on this trade. I got 10 micros, so
Let's boner candle because we're playing boner candle, and then we'll do our first giveaway. Don't forget, everybody, giveaway form is in the chat. And if you're watching on X or you're watching on YouTube, join us. It's free for your first week. Link is in my bio. Hang out with us. We'll be live all next week. So the free trial will be great to come in for you today. You can watch some of the videos over the weekend, the stream replays from this week. There's a lot to learn here. So plus you get access to the giveaways and stuff if you sign up.
The massage traders. That's us. Should I get Hillary in here? Give me a back massage while I'm...
Dude. All right, I'll say something inappropriate. Riley's breastfeeding. You should see how big her tits are, bro. Oh, get her in here in a bikini giving me a neck massage. That shit would be viral, bro. She'd do it too.
The best part about this, Jay's going to clip that part, not really even thinking about it. It's going to go in the highlight reel.
Listen, if you got a wife who's had a baby, you know the deal, okay? It's just the way it is.
Oh. The best was Evan's face when we were on FaceTime yesterday watching us play with our kids and talk about our kids, and there's Evan just hanging out.
You're having your kids
It's like-
speak to each other, like talk to each other.
Evan's like, should I go buy more condoms? What do I have
Yeah.
to do?
Best birth control right ever. Gage said he didn't realize I'm up $600. Payout
Oh,
on
nice.
the account.
Nice,
work.
Gage.
How do we not know that?
You deserve it, buddy. You're trying. He's here every day. He's hard. You know, he goes hard.
What?
He's
It's
hard.
hard.
And he's a redhead, so he's already fighting that. So
I love redheads. What can I tell you?
they're wild, right?
They're wild, dude. He fits the bill perfectly. This fucking guy.
No, we don't trade London session. Fast asleep.
No. Sometimes we'll trade Asia session with the Black Shirt Club people. We'll do some trading in there, but not.
That's like 7,
consistently.
8 p.m. Like getting up at
Yeah.
3 a.m.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Asian session, not London
You
session.
texted me at 3 a.m. Sicko.
Yeah, I was up at 3
You're
this
on
morning.
Twitter at 3 a.m.
I was on Twitter at 3 a.m., bro. When you have a kid, you'll understand.
I can understand the
I
waking
went back to
up. You
bed,
don't
though.
need to
Dude,
go
I
on
went back to
Twitter.
bed. I laid there from 1 to 3 on my phone, and then 3 to 6 I slept.
I was actually up at 4:30, and then I went back to bed. But I woke up at 4:30.
You should be
to
in the
piss.
gym
I'm
at
like,
4:30.
I
You're a
was like, why
single
would all
man. You should be
stay
in the
up
gym
like
at 4:30. You have
I
no
have the whole
children
day
and
to
no
go to
wife.
the gym. I don't have a child. Why would I need to do it at 4:30?
Because it's the harder thing to do.
No.
This 90 is just so hard to break through. I'm watching the clock here, everybody. It's 10:11. I'm just looking at that. I wanted this to be a 15-minute pop, but positioning doesn't look.
NQ's being a little bitch below its New York VWAP.
Mm.
It's fighting it.
Apple's down 1%.
Yeah. Nvidia's green or red at a new low, and then these chip stocks are heading for new lows too. So no longs yet on my NQ, just the options play, which was a
On
feeler.
my NQ. I'm done with this guy.
76.50 at 666 contracts now to the T.
Underneath POC, maybe just take a break and retest short, but the day is not. Overnight was so bullish. We won't make a new low a week on a Friday. That's so sad. Yeah, Shaw, that was a strong open for NQ. Just swiped right through the VWAPs and POC. But you got YM at a new high,
wait.
NQ heading for kind of a new low, so ES is just stalling here in the middle.
If this wins, we're going to say, oh, that looks good. It's like stalling and it's going to make a higher low and then it's going to move out, you know? And if we lose, we're going to say, oh, we should have respected previous day VWAP. That's what's going to happen. So I think you just got to make a decision. Are you exiting at previous day VWAP or are you holding?
Well, yeah, what was Tuesday's long on ES? Like when it built those higher lows, it was the same thing. It gave you a little bit of pop first, but then there was still more to it later on if you hold through the structure low stop.
It only moved 5 points for me so far and then just sat there.
I think you didn't even try to take its New York VWAP. One little pin to it.
So we got 2 more minutes till this 15-minute candle. Yeah, it's NQ. ES is under VWAP now. You got overnight VWAP in value area. And if it takes that, I mean, you think this goes lower because then NQ is going to pull it lower. It'll be under value area low. So you'd think that you'd like shorts at that point.
It is tough
Big,
looking at it on the week. It's like you could just be buying the next lower high here, like you
Yep.
did on Wednesday. Yesterday's New York, it's just lower high, and then that's why I have yesterday's low marked off. It makes a lower low. That's what it's been doing all week. It's been a bearish week.
Yep.
So I thought we can get a little bit of a relief on a Friday, but if this just keeps going lower, that's in line with trend.
Nasty pin on the 15-minute if this closes down here.
Could have been
we
maybe a
get news?
small break and retest here, but
I got nothing.
Steph, no. Can I trade them in opposite directions with TOF accounts?
Steph, you should talk to your Claude about how the indices are weighted. Ask Claude how are the 3 stock indices weighted differently, and have Claude tell you the differences.
But yes, I think you technically can trade different directions on
Yeah, I
different
traded ES
pairs
short
like
on
that.
Monday and NQ long. So yes, the answer is
I think
yes.
maybe at the same time.
Right.
Right?
Probably
You
not at
can.
the same time.
I
We
don't know.
might be
It's
in
a
one
different
and getting out of
pair.
one. Yeah, so it could be at the same time.
I don't know. But normally I wouldn't want to. Like that means
I
it's
wouldn't. I
unclear,
would.
just
I would
wait.
be careful. I would be careful with that one of taking a trade in 2 different directions on 2 different assets at the same time.
If you're trading what
doesn't
you
make-
see, just trade what you see, Steph. Like go back. I went over Monday's trades. I shorted ES. I bought NQ. Then I went and shorted ES again, and then I bought. They're separate trades, but I'm going in different directions. You know.
It sounds like Steph is talking about it like hedging almost, like being
Yeah, I wouldn't do
long
that.
NQ, short
Yeah, don't do
YM
that.
at the same moment.
Don't know if that's a good idea.
Yeah, I don't know. You're putting yourself in a situation where it could be some sort of hedging, and you could get your payout
Good
denied or
point.
something.
Yeah,
So,
good point. You could get
Not worth it.
banned from a prop firm or whatever. Didn't you get accused of hedging once?
yeah,
Big dog.
yeah, it's-
It wasn't accused. He did it.
Typical
Fuck
scamming
you.
ass,
I saw it.
scamming ass, motherfucker.
bro, I'd come through that screen and fuck you up right now, man. You take that back.
No,
That's
I'm
exactly
not.
what I
You-
said to
you're
Michael
hedger.
Stock too, and
It's
he
funny
shut his
'cause
mouth.
I
He
know
shut his
when they
mouth.
hit you with that email and they're like, "We know you're hedging." You're like, "Edging? What are you talking about?" They're like,
Do
"No,
you remember
hedging."
how mad I was? Like how personal I
Like,
took
fuck,
it.
they got me.
He did.
Earlier
I
they
do
found
remember.
me.
You're like,
Serious.
"I don't hedge, bro. I don't even know how to do that."
I trim my hedges. That's it. What are they talking about? Tried to do that hedging. That was a while ago. That was like January, no, Randy?
Yeah,
Turn of the
that was
year.
right. Yeah, right in the beginning of the year when I was taking all those payouts with Top Step. That's why.
Back to VWAP and now coming down a little bit on ES. How's NQ look? New lows, trying.
Trash.
I got orders coming on below on ES now too, a little bit at 74. But YM still trying to hold us up. So yeah, we're stuck.
It's been bearish for 2 hours. It just wiped up all the overnight. 10 hours
I would
up.
just
One
2
hours. to
with
erase
the,
it down.
if you're long on this double break here and this does win, you're going to see here like why we're playing price. We're not timing the market. We're trying to get this entry on overnight VWAP for this next leg higher. And I think you, in my opinion, you got to stay in this until the stop loss is taken because the value area low is really your safety net here based on everything we talked about. And being long inside the value area is fine. We're not long underneath it. You know what I mean? So I think based on the risk, it's a good looking trade. The issue is that previous day VWAP, call it whatever you want. It's 76.90. That was the block that it had a hard time with before. And if you don't like it, we're basically at entry. You can de-risk now. You can take some size off.
I mean, most of the Mag 7's holding up. It is, again, the Mag 7's bullish. The chip stocks are beat down bearish, so you're not getting that speed of just clean follow through.
It's the regime.
On NQ, you are, but on ES, it's
Let's get
kinda just slow.
NQ bounce off value area low. Pull ES back through New York VWAP. Come on.
Come on.
Yeah, NQ sitting on that value area low. 250, 29, 250.
Yeah, because I mean, if you just zoom out and if ES ends up holding this stop loss at 76 and makes any sort of move back up towards open range high, you're like, where the fuck did I think that was bearish? It was holding structure the whole time. Underneath. You should be looking at structure underneath you. Once you're not making higher lows anymore, then your long could look bad.
Should we get the first giveaway lined up? Let's do a last call. Let's do it. If you're here on ASFX TV, you're getting yourself in the giveaway. Last call. It's in the chat. We got 3 accounts to give away. Evan's going to take care of that when he gets back. So you got a few minutes to get your name on the list. Just once, please. Only get your name on there once. And then we'll start slinging those top 1 futures accounts for you guys. If you're watching on YouTube or you're watching on X, you can join the giveaways. All you got to do is sign up at ASFX TV. And it's free. Links in my bio, links in Randy's bio. Also, like links for the prop firm discounts, links for the indicator, all that stuff is in the bio as well.
Damn you, NQ as YM breaks out for a new high. Break and retest on YM actually looks quite nice. Above all three VWAPs, full alignment, bounce off to New York.
Yeah, inside the range of near POC, that could be better. It could be above value, but like now NQ sliding under value area. So who's going to pull us here? Because now we're in ES, so we're in the mud. You know.
Yeah.
I would just hate to. Yeah.
I'm just reading Steph's question. Reason for the correlated asset question. I didn't realize you can't copy trade between different types of TOF accounts. Now I need 2 different groups on TradeSyncer.
Yes.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, if the value area holds, I'd hate to bail early. I'd rather just take the stop at the low.
I mean, I want to buy NQ because of the overnight, or I did, but like you look at it in regular trading hours, what's been happening since the open?
Right.
0 seconds spent above the New York VWAP. Maybe 2 seconds right there. Underneath POC, breaking value very low. If you're still looking to buy it, you're just wanting to see it move higher more than it's telling you it probably wants to.
I don't think anyone's looking to buy NQ though.
No, yeah. I wanted to like coming into the open, but now with the new information, I gotta let that go. I'm like, all right.
Chat's smarter than you. What do you expect?
No, they're not. They're not. They're just not even close. Different stratosphere.
David, the indicator with that part of the dashboard is really just for those that want it. You know what I mean? I don't need it, so I don't have that on, but it's there for those who want it. You know, the indicator is supposed to be getting more complex and more deep, more depth to it as time goes on. We like to add to it. So sometimes we use that, sometimes we don't, but I don't think you need to, unless you want to be really on the side of trend, you know? But like right now, I'm doing a double break, which would go against the trend of the VWAPs, but I really like the double break. So can we juice it now? What's coming on Bookmap down there?
Yeah, I see that. I have my stop at 75. I'm actually going to pull it down just a little bit.
I'm at 76.
NQ's 20 points from taking out yesterday's low. I mean, it's not even just this open. Back. It's from 8:45 in the morning when it started pulling back towards the overnight. It's been just 2 hours of strong flush.
Yep.
So I would assume some sort of balance would want to come in. Maybe not to open range high, but something of buying. What do you got, Ben? Short on that NQ? Savage.
It's a nice rejection off the... Can we go off the New York, I guess, on that?
Yeah. One Marco. You beat that up. But good job.
Hopefully that wall at 77 is going to hold here and keep value area in play. It's a nice pin through it on ES. See.
YM's at a new high day. NQ's at a new low day. So you shouldn't expect to go anywhere with some speed.
Yeah, NQ's 40 points off its overnight lows, or yesterday's lows, actually.
There's also even just one double break in play. That's it. Just your guys.
Can you load up that giveaway, dog? Because I want to do one, take a break, do one, take a break. We'll get them all done. See, you see what I'm saying? It would have been a bitch to bail everybody at that value area low and cut this thing early. I would have definitely been pissed. Look at this fucking.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I would have. You would want me to do that, chat, so you see me throw something across the room. See me smash that bookshelf. I'll pull it off the fucking wall.
That was Tuesday or whatever day. With the clean double break with full view up alignment, you have the same thing here.
I'm about to buy some keyboards just to smash for fun. Fuck it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's just do it, bro. Who cares? It'd be fun.
Just have Dell send you new keyboards every week. Varun, you just had to wait the last second, huh, Chief? Respect it.
Ev, you'll like this. I was looking at a race car bed for Leo just to see what, like, because he's got a regular bed now. Look at this one. It's like it's like that Corvette you were going to buy.
Is it like a cop car?
Yeah.
Mean looking. Damn.
It's mean looking.
Yeah, normally just like.
How much you think that cost? You want to guess the price on that thing?
$6,000.
It ain't the $200 one off Amazon. You both are too high. It's actually only 1,000. So
Oh, that's not bad.
1,200.
No.
Did Randy say $5,000? Fucking.
He said
geez,
six
real
grand.
car.
If I
Get a
spend
real car.
$6,000 on a toddler bed, definitely do what
Yeah.
I said earlier about cash rating me for sure, bro.
I just know your algo's feeding you the expensive shit. It's not sending you the cheap
It
ads.
is. It is. Pottery Barn is
Your
some of the shit I get.
$250,000 Genesis.
I get West Elm ads, bro, because I like West Elm furniture. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
It's
that
nice though.
Genesis
Like
was-
it's really nice stuff.
Genesis was wild.
Yeah, that was wild. That was a
Million.
wild take. Yeah,
You get like a Maybach Mercedes van, Sprinter van for less than that.
I would trade in the back of there.
Like there's just so many better options than that for that
Yeah.
price.
Agreed.
Grandma's Boy, Eric. That's such a good movie.
That's so funny.
Anthony
So
filled
choppy.
it out twice. Daniel Sullivan filled it out twice.
Oh, come on, man.
Hate to see it.
Dude, your bed's a car. Funny.
That was like the heyday of like such good like stoner
Such
movies.
good movies, dude.
See if we can get a pullback to NQ's New York view up. Just very beat down. No room back into structure for me to like a short.
There's not a
And
lot
the
of
S
orders
isn't-
above us either. So I'm thinking of pulling my TP down just to 90 again. Will I be mad if I get out there? No.
Yeah, just.
I just think if we're right, this is a spoof, right? This guy down here is holding the market up or whatever, and this is going to come higher. Bookmap for the fucking win, everybody. You know, all day, every day. That's why we love being a partner with Bookmap. So much information you get from this. I mean, look at this. You can see this thickening up down here, and now as we trade back above VWAP, you can see this thing start to carry into this block at the 90 up there. Two Dan Sullivans in the chat. Interesting. That's
Well,
possible.
there's two Dan S's, but is there really two Dan Sullivans?
You're going to have to do 3 initials, boys. Who's got a middle name? You want to guess my middle name? Evans is Snow Prince.
Well, it was two different emails.
That would make
Flat-
sense. Then it's not the same person, Evan. Let's use our noggin
Flat
here.
Fishing, Flats Fishing, and Sullivan Daniel.
So
Sounds like
Also, yeah, there's a
Daniel Sullivan,
Daniel
you've
and
been
a Dan.
blacklisted. Daniel Sullivan, you now need to go by your middle initial as well. You've been blacklisted. Too many people in the chat.
I wonder if Hassan's here today.
Daniel's, dude,
He
I
is.
would go by Sir Daniel Sullivan. Who wants to be the king? You know, one of you could be a girl, Mrs. Daniel Sullivan.
You see those orders at 77 moved up to 80?
Yeah,
Whoever put just David in the giveaway, that's not enough. So you're off the list. You need a last name.
yeah. You need a last name, David.
I'll put both Dan's back on.
Come on, NQ. Take your New York VWAP for us.
I mean, the odds of a Dan S winning is low anyway. So
That's not very nice.
I'm just speaking on probabilities. Sometimes probabilities are not nice.
Why? Because it's such a like common name.
There's going to be a couple hundred people in the giveaway. Yeah,
They have like a 0.5% chance.
right.
based
The
off
odds of anyone
common
winning
math.
are less than 1%. Right.
200 people. What are the odds of winning, chat? Quick math. Do it.
0.5%.
There you go. Who says you didn't pay attention in school?
Hassan, what's up, dude?
Yeah, he's back. Let's go, baby.
Hassan
Yeah,
had his
Hassan,
name on there. Were you here for that yesterday, Evan? He was like, if
Yeah,
I
I
make
know.
my name longer, it gets across the line faster.
I just
It's
delete all
literally
the ends.
winning horse
I
is
just
going
have
to
to
be
delete
blocked
it, though,
by
so it's-
Hassan's name. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to see the winner's name. It's just going to show an N from Hassan. I'm glad we have this relationship now, Hassan.
Yes.
What are we racing today?
They wanted camels, bro.
Camels,
I don't
bro.
like it. I don't support it, but it's fine.
Can we do the
Well,
food
then
one
it's-
again? We never really got into the food one. That's pretty good.
Can we do something more American
Burgers
than
and
that? Like,
Sandwiches.
yeah, let's do the food. We'll do the food. Fuck it.
I want to see a
Daniel
clubhouse
State.
sandwich win. Like
We
on
did
a
the
Friday.
food. We did the
I could
food.
go for Randy. You want to get a hero after work today?
You know what? I can't wait for a Wawa, bro. I need my
Oh,
Italian
don't
homie
even.
from
I
Wawa.
can't wait till we're in. Dude, the food we're eating next month is going to be so good. Imagine we all get food poisoning from this nice restaurant. That would be so funny.
I'm driving through Arizona, so if anybody knows anywhere I gotta stop, like if there's a Wawa,
Oh, I'll send you, dude. I have a guy I
I
actually follow who he asks NFL players and famous people, what's your favorite restaurant in Arizona? And I love his videos. So he goes to the restaurant then and he tries it. It's like Food Guy from Arizona or something like that. He's super famous. Yeah.
come out.
I mean, the goal is Mexican. If you're in Arizona, you're going Mexican. There's no question. Yeah. So it's just going to be a really hole in the wall.
Well, I'm
Mexican
going to
spot.
Mexico, so I'm gonna get.
No, I know,
Mexican.
but that's what I think people in Arizona, they're going to recommend Mexican food for them or steakhouse. 10:30 coming in here. Those orders are all gone now, Randy. Let's see what she wants to do.
And he's back at New York. See if it retests again or does it break it?
So now is he not holding up the market anymore? Is that how that works?
Because now we just had our first bullish bar on NQ since the pre-market flush.
Yeah, YM's
A
coming
little bit
back
of
now.
buyers.
Complicated for ES. Complicated emotions. Can't decide who it wants to listen to, NQ or YM.
NQ just cannot get above its New York, man.
Well, yeah, Nvidia's down 1% and chip stocks are at
Soxo's
new
down
lows.
2.5. Soxo was down like 5, so that's not bad. That from the lows to back up to New York, it's cut it in half.
I don't think that's true.
No,
Maybe. Bounced like $2 up. It's down 2% on the day. It was most it was down was a little bit more.
yeah, it was 5.5. I thought like not longer, like 20 minutes
be.
ago.
Colton, I have Lucid Direct and Lucid. I hate this 2-factor thing. I have Lucid Direct and Flex accounts. That's what I like from Lucid. It's Lucid with their Direct is very similar to Top One Futures with the instant funded that they have. So I think that's what you would be comparing them to.
And then their Elite Access is similar to the Flex, but I like the Futures Elites for
Yeah, I
the
forgot about those.
similarity to the Flex, like
Yeah.
comparable to Flex.
Painful. Quite painful. Maybe NQ will start to turn here. I'm going to go get an energy drink. I'll be right back. When I get back, we'll do the giveaway.
Yeah, I got it ready. Up to you guys. What you guys want to race?
Shar Spoofer lives in Europe. It's dinner time. Should be over on YM playing the bounce off the opening range high. I was saying YM looked good for a break and retest. Just with the VWAP alignment on YM.
Yeah,
You got overnight previous days and then New York.
yeah. Never even took New York. Like touched it to give a short.
No, that's what I was saying for YM for a break and retest long.
Yeah, wow, this ES looks like NQ yesterday. No one's wrong yet. You're still holding the same view up that you could have bought it at 20 minutes ago, but shit. Stuck. But just like NQ eventually popped yesterday, you can't try to time it. You just got to have a good price with a good stop to give it all the room it could need. And I would like to see NQ take its New York view up and then sellers take it right back.
I don't know what a gay trade looks like, but it's sideways.
The trade looks pretty straight, just moving straight sideways.
Hey, there you
I
go,
don't know.
Abs.
Yeah.
But bam, we need like that.
Well, all this just sits gaily. What do we want to race today, chat? While Austin's gone.
You can race hearts?
I guess so.
No.
This is the holiday theme.
Oh,
We'll get to
Valentine one.
We'll race some gingerbread in a couple months here. But yeah, we did the food race once. It was
Yeah,
brain
it was
rot.
cool. You had French fries and sandwiches and burgers.
Fries can't run. So camels
Like
can run,
waddles.
horses can run, lions can run.
Ooh, let's do lions. King of the jungle.
They just look like
That's a pretty
child.
vicious looking lion. What's above the lion? Is that a pig? Next to the butterfly.
That's a puppy dog or spider.
Oh, spider. Yeah, no, I'm looking at spider. There you go. That's better.
Very weird. Chat. We can do a
Bouncing ball?
pogo stick,
Let's do pogo stick. Come on, let's do it.
downhill skiing, BMX bikes, it gets kind of stupid. How we doing? No take a VWAP yet.
What are we drinking?
You could do
Celsius?
Italian brain rot where it's a shark with legs. Who made this site?
What is Italian brain rot? What does that
I
even
don't
mean?
know. Why is it a shark?
I actually take offense to that.
If it's Italian, why is it a shark?
Right.
Alphabet? Would everyone's name just be like what their or letter be what their name is, or is it?
Let's
random?
not overthink this, boys. Let's just go with something and then do the giveaway.
I like the horse. It's always a nail biter. Because someone's in the lead and then they're.
You're such a simple guy, Ev.
And they blow it.
Just live
The
a
rest
little,
of
bro.
them- Everyone
Live
else
a
like
little.
leader wins. We're doing.
Like, do you
three.
ever go to Chipotle and think about getting like something other than chicken? Like, oh, I wonder what the steak. No. Just give me chicken. Just chicken.
Yeah, give me what's good. Give me what I've had. Give me what I want. What
What's
I'm
got the
here for.
highest amount of protein? Just give
All
me
right,
chicken.
you're both going to get muted about your fucking.
Here we go.
Thank you.
I hope I win.
We've never
Hope
come out
we
of the
win.
front. Yeah, we never come out the front.
We won a duck race. Don't forget it, boys.
All right, who's taking our first Ignite account? Is it Chuck Salmon?
Mark Ross.
That was close yesterday too.
I don't know.
Yeah,
that?
there it is. Who's that at the bottom?
Michael
Michael
Moser.
Moser. Look at
Oh,
that.
Michael.
Nice. And Martin, that was close, dude. Very close. But that's not going to be there. Steph, close. Luigi, Ryan. Ryan again, dude. Ryan is hacked. Top 10 again. It's crazy.
Nate, Joseph.
Sean, close. Okay, good. Let's do one more and then we'll do the third one.
However long
the end.
Ryan waits to fill out the form, you keep it up.
Right. Whatever you're doing, Ryan, it's working.
Yep. You want to do one more? Or you
one
want
more.
to take a break?
No, we'll do one more and then we'll do the third one right at the end.
All right.
All right, everybody. So don't forget, it's from Top One Futures. Everything there. Still 55% off. And every time you use the code ASFX, you don't just support us. We're going to give you guys a chance to win $1,000 cash. We'll pick that winner on Tuesday, September 1st. So you have until the end of the month. Every time you use the code is an entry into the giveaway for the cash.
Rob? Late
Rob.
push Rob? Craig.
Smoke. Oh, Craig
Craig
Allen.
Allen. A-Rob
go.
right there. Craig.
Greg? Is it
Yep.
Greg?
Yeah.
Nice.
I thought
Greg.
Rob and
Greg's
A-Rob.
been around for a while, dude.
And Nick. Alex. I
Nice,
know all
Greg.
these people.
Yeah. The
And
Regs.
McIntyre. Oh, my God.
Close.
Good job, boys. Craig, congrats.
Close.
Happy Friday.
Close, A-Rod. Close, buddy. Yeah, very good. Craig, we'll do one more, everybody. So hang out with us. We're not done giveaways yet. Not done yet. YM back down now.
Yeah.
How's that look on your side, Evan?
Yeah, I couldn't quite get that. Give me the
Q looks
fucking
fine. YM's bringing ES down now.
Give me the, just touch this blue line, would you please? Maybe Ben's playing it again. Ben took this first short, clean, pull back again, play it again. Could be like Tuesday.
Yep. I'm just looking at the heat map here. Ant-Man, if you guys don't follow, I mean, everybody knows Anthony here in the chat. He's always active, but he's got a Twitter account. He's starting to post his stuff. So everybody make sure you go follow Ant. And if you want to share it in the chat, dude, share your Twitter account so everybody can follow you. Tesla's up 3%.
Yeah. The chips, man. No good.
Russell's beat down. New lows on Russell. Double break short on YM now in play. Interesting.
But you got like Google and Amazon at new highs. It's just the tech again. Here comes Microsoft.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no.
How did
no,
that? Was it yesterday or day before we had a double break short on YM present, but you had the all three VWAPs inside the opening range?
I don't remember that. I can pull it up.
It might have been me. It might have been me and Bruce.
No, that was Wednesday, I believe. Yeah, it was you and Bruce. No one took it. Yeah, it looked
Just
like
there
that.
were so many VWAPs in the way, and they were like stacked.
Is that right now?
Like you had
Yeah,
like
it
three
looked like-
VWAPs to get through to hit opening range low.
You ain't listening today, huh, Ev?
No, it was literally this. It looked just like,
It looked just like
a
this.
later double break. Oh. Yeah, that was the one that never finished. Remember us? And it just chopped sideways, but it worked.
Yes. Yes. I think I just lagged. Can you still hear me? Am I here?
Yep, you're good.
Yeah.
I'm a little laggy today. Randy,
This
what's
one,
your
Randy?
stop?
My stop's at 73.
Okay.
There's order 75.
I was going to ask you what you were seeing on Bookmap. That's where I pulled you up. I wanted to see what you were looking at CVD wise. So I know it's kind of flat today, probably.
It was at plus like 5K and it's down to like +1. So I'm trying not to. Yesterday I had a really good trade short with a plus a 5,000 CVD, right? And I made a point of making a note of that because it's like I hyper focus on that, and I would have tried taking a long down there, something stupid.
Yep. What do you think, Ev?
I think I'm going to see the Odyssey this afternoon.
Well, let's see if NQ makes that high or low here.
I'm so hyped to hear about it, bro. I cannot wait. I need you to call me afterwards, please, and tell me how it goes.
In 70, whatever.
Yeah, so you're going to get the best experience out of all of us.
Well, you're watching it, NIMAX? You are, right?
He is.
Yeah, I'm watching it in the 70 millimeter thing.
This ES stop loss hold looks like the same one that YM did a couple of days ago where it was very close to stop. People bailed on it, and then it held. I'd have to pull that up.
Yeah.
So both of you, how many top one accounts did you rebuy, Randy? And then Ev, what's your stack with top one? I kind of forget.
That.
With do you have any accounts copy trading with TradeSync?
No, not right now, because I just have this instant funded that I'm trying to get.
Yeah, I'm running 6. I had 10. Nice. I blew those 10.
Nice.
And now I just got 6 more.
What'd you get?
The Elite Access. I'm going to keep doing the BOGO while I can.
All right, so run me through that, Randy. Like, I just want to understand what's your mindset with the Elite Access over the instant funded fully. Like, don't rant for me. Give it to me short and skinny. Why do I want to be telling people to do that?
You get, so first of all, the BOGO.
Okay.
Second of all, the investment, if you, especially on a trade copier, if you're new to trade copying or whatever it is, or playing with multipliers, you're going to have less an investment if something does go awry. You have a bad day, you blow something up. If that was 5 instant fundeds, that would fucking hurt. Right? So, because you don't got to pay that activation fee until you pass them. So I think for copy trading, and if you're just new to copy trading, I think trading
what's the con? What is the con then? The activation fee.
You're going to have to pay an activation fee. When
don't
you
worry
pass
about that. So how is it different
payout.
in its rules? Okay, smaller
Max payout.
How's
$1,500.
If you're on a 50K, so it's $1,000 less.
Yeah, more than
it's way cheaper. It's dramatically cheaper, of course. So why would it be the same payout, Cap? That wouldn't make any sense.
People would
Plus
say,
but you got to think in the sense of copy, like scale, right? You can only copy trade 5 accounts with the instant
other stuff.
You 10 of each.
10.
I mean, people would say you could just buy it Ignite for cheaper, which is maybe true, but you could also be buying yourself on the Elite Access. It gets 40% consistency rather than 15 on the Ignite.
So that pass in 2 days?
No, it's a 1-day pass for the eval, so you could pass it today. And then once you're funded, it's a 40%, so you can make 1,000, 1,500, and you're at target.
Wow.
Running Ignite, you need to be a little bit more consistent because you need 5 days at least to maybe 6 to be the 15%. You know.
So yes, activation fee is a con, but also you can.
Well, if you pass it first time, it's $39 and $189 or something. So like you're all in for $230.
Yep.
And the Ignite might be $230. So it's like, okay, then why would I spend time in an eval?
Right.
It's like, well, you have a large. If you want the larger consistency rule, maybe that's appealing to you. I don't know.
Sure.
Because then it's like, you don't need to be as consistent for 6 days to be within 15. You could just be 800, 900, 500 payout. I got a video
chat like Elric likes it, Corey likes it. What else? Who else like I'm curious to just hear from the people that are trading it too. What do you guys find and feel?
Yeah, 30 days
is the
pass,
instant
but it's a 1-day pass. So if you're in it for more than a week for $39, just give up lunch for a day and buy a new one.
Give up lunch for a day. Good advice.
Yeah, it's $39.
I'm just curious.
If you're not passing it.
I want to know though in the chat, has everyone turned away from instant funded because there's so many cheap evals, whether it's Top One or Lucid or whoever? I'm curious to know. Because I'm copy trading just as many instant fundeds basically as I am evals.
Yeah.
I think that would be the goal, but I think Shaw said it. Somebody said in the chat just a second ago, like copy trading with the cheaper accounts, learning how to copy trade is. When we first got into trading before instant funded, it was like we traded these evals, and it's like it's still not a bad idea when you're new to trading, and if the budget doesn't put you in a position to be buying instant funded accounts. And that's where the Ignite account is still my favorite in that sense. If you're gonna go instant funded, I think Ignite account for the cost. But I think if you want to copy trade and really start to feel that it's not anxiety. What is it when you see like a swing in your P&L, like a bigger swing?
Yeah, sure. Call it anxiety.
But you need to get over that.
Real
You
quick,
need to
what was
get-
that? Sorry, derail. What was that, Randy, to you on
Yeah, I
book
saw those orders come on. I got nothing on. I didn't have any icebergs.
No
or-
stop, no iceberg, just guy puts on orders, algo puts on orders, market just pump. What the fuck is that? And it takes them off. It doesn't fill them. That's interesting.
That's mighty close to the stop. I mean, Randy's is a lot larger than what he's
That
got
is
drawn.
crazy, bro. That is a crazy thing. You only see that here with Bookmap, everybody. You don't get that just looking at TradingView. You see it, Randy? Circle the little block I'm talking about so they see it.
right here.
That little blip. Didn't fill, didn't stop run, didn't iceberg, didn't do anything. It pumped the CVD a little bit. That little blip.
550 orders right here.
Yeah. Didn't fill, though. It just pumped the market. So what is that? That is crazy. I'm not confident enough for instant funded. Okay. That's a good point. I do instant funded because they're cheaper and evals an activation fee. Yeah. Good. I think it's really, with those ignites, it's a fucking hard conversation because the ignites are so cheap and they're instant funded. If you didn't have the top one futures ignite accounts to consider, you would be like, yeah, if you're trying to be cheap, you just got to go eval. I feel like top one kind of hacked the game. No one has an instant funded account that's set up like an ignite account. All the other instant fundeds like Tradeify, I think Direct, Lucid, all those, they all look the same as the traditional instant funded from top one, not like the ignite because of the lower payout. It's like an easy starter pack version of a fucking instant funded. That's what an ignite account is, you know?
And if you've been trading for a bit and you've taken a payout, you can trade. You can copy trade 10 ignite accounts.
10. I just saw that. It's not 6 anymore. It's 10. That's stupid.
Right. So it's. But again, it's a big investment, right?
I wish
Like
sometimes I wish I didn't have the live account. I'll tell you guys this. They did tell me that because I don't have the live account yet, I might be able to trade another top one futures account next week in another pre-live account. They closed that one I had, so they may give me another pre-live to hold me over. So hopefully that would be really nice. See, I just lagged
Come on,
again there.
MQ. Let's.
Yeah, so Keith and anyone that's thinking about that, check out the Ignite accounts this weekend. They're going to be on sale 55% off till the end of the month. Try it once this month. That's how I got the live account. It took a shit ton of payouts from them on that.
Well, the Ignite one sets you up for like having some good discipline with that 15% consistency score.
Yeah.
Again, you got to look at that as a pro, not a con. We're not in a race here to try and get this thing to a payout, especially if you haven't taken a payout.
Yeah.
So I think a 15% consistency score is a good thing. And you'll hear everybody bitch and fucking moan about it. And it's like, you're only bitching and moaning because you're trying to rush the process, right?
Yeah, dudes. That's why it's like good. If everyone on the internet that's a Furu influencer is bitching about it, you're probably going down the right path, just like anything else. Daniel, we'll see you on the call today. Daniel brings up a good point, everybody. At the end of this month, we are not taking in new people for the Black Shirt Club. Daniel just got back in. He was with us actually at the start of the year. So the group is fattening itself up here as we go into the end of the year. So it's a great time to join. You can go to the website. I'll put the link in the chat. If you've been here for a while and you like us, but you just want to be around other serious traders, get more feedback on your trades, you get 3 group coaching meetings with us. So it is a lot. And it's only $500 a month. You cancel whenever you want. So get in now, because I'm telling you, I'm not letting anyone in September, October, November, December. Nobody knew. Lost a bunch of funded accounts when TUF took me live, blew that in one day. Yeah, Purdy, it is the live account sometimes for people is a little bit of a hurdle when it's the first time trading a live account. It can be a psychological hurdle for sure.
Yeah, I think people have to you gotta just keep trading the way we say this when you get close to a payout too. It's the same idea. As soon as you get that live account, you got to treat it. Just trade like how you trade. Don't worry. Like Troy, I had the same discussion with Troy, who was in the Black Shirt Club in Tampa at the boot camp, where he got a live account and he had a $10,000 live account. He's like, I'm just going to trade one micro. Like he's freaking out already. And I'm just like, how did you get the live account? Like just trade it how you normally trade it. Risk your $500 a day. Don't go down to risking $50 because you're so worried about losing this live account. Like it doesn't define you. A live account, whether you have it or not, doesn't going to make you a good or bad trader.
No. Where are we at now? 10:45. You want to run the last one, Gav, before we get too close to 11 o'clock?
Yeah, you can. Just think if I want to take a short here on NQ.
Then wait. Just wait. Focus on that. Talk us through it. What do you see?
What's ES looking like?
ES is at VWAP. ES bounced off value area
sellers.
low, just like that one. It looked really good.
Just don't like anywhere for a stop. No, mid range.
No, you'd have to do that. Yeah, I like that. If that stop gets hit, you don't want to be short.
Initial balance is now set. I just want to see probably that could take him first. But it needs a breath after just selling off for an hour and a half. But how high does it want to pull back? Because it literally just retested right to yesterday's low and bounced.
I do want to say, though, you have YM ES and NQ all at their New York VWAP. Not YMs trading at new highs, NQs trading at lows. You're getting a bit of a balance here. Whether we go higher or lower, I don't have no fucking idea. But before, earlier, Ev was saying, and YM's pushing new highs, NQ's going for new lows. And now we have all three of them at their VWAP. So I don't know what that means. I'm still in the long.
Small size. Why is that there? We'll try it with 2 micros. I mean, it's NQ underneath value area low, POC, and like I said, on the regular trading hours, 1 minute above the VWAP. So if this moves lower, it's like, what structure was telling you not to sell it? So.
I like it, Ev. Yours, I mean, trade what you see. Your mind looks
looking
good.
at all week. It's like these are beat down. Keep selling it. And just into structure low.
Randy, I'm cautious on that fucking stuff Dave was talking about, Dave Ford, about the gamma levels, Connor stuff. Like, I think the best question that I will just continue to ask them is like, how does this help me trade my strategies better? Pull back to VWAP and double break. How does this help me? And not just tell me that there's levels everywhere. Because he just shared the picture again, and it's cool information, but it just means there's levels everywhere. That's all that means to me.
If you go back
unless you can tell me sequentially which levels will fill, it don't matter.
Yeah, no. If you go back, and I put the markup in our BSE chat, my trade yesterday, why I took it, and it was what I saw with options was like number 3 on the list, right? It's like VWAP, and then I used Bookmap and options as a confluence, and it's like this is where I put, and I made sure I told everybody in the chat this is how I'm looking at it, because it's like there's a GEX level every 20 points.
Exactly.
Right? Does it mean we're going to trade into all these GEX levels? Like, no.
YM is in drawdown on its double break as ES has come back to entry.
That's crazy if it holds.
No stop out on that.
I don't like that. I mean, I like this for your longs because you're just holding this overnight VWAP where a higher low could definitely be formed. But does it have the higher high?
See, I'm not getting out of the trade even though we're at break even and it hasn't been a winner. Because if I wasn't in right now, I'd be buying ES. I like the bottom off the value area low, so I would be trying it. So that's why I'm not doing anything with my trade. I'm just letting it continue to breathe.
Do we call that a double bottom? Like, do we say a double bottom on 1 minute? It's a hard time frame.
Call it a hold of 75, 76.
That's why I would look at it. Like,
yeah, 75 and 76 is now the line in the sand. Now that there is a double bottom there, if it breaks, you don't want to be long where we're long, for sure. All right, Evan, you're ready. Since you're in the trade now, you're not going to do anything in a second. Let's do it. Last giveaway from Top 1 Futures, everybody. And don't forget, how much is the discount?
Oh my God, Hassan, relax.
55% off. 60% off if you bundle, everybody. Use the code ASFX. So we're not only giving you free accounts for being here, we're giving you cash in 2 weeks, basically, a little less than that.
Oh, in French.
No, Ken?
Ken has that.
Someone's going to come out of the back here. Who is it?
Ken has it. Ken has it. Ken has it. It's all Ken's.
Yeah.
Did you see him waving his hands like after he won? He was like this.
Yeah,
they all do that. Yeah. Oh. Frank, close there.
That's how you know who won.
Yeah.
Because, it isn't very clear. There's no finish line.
Where's Hassan with 520 ends?
No, his name dragged him. It was too heavy. The name really dragged him back there. Oh,
listen, thank you for participating, everybody. Thank you to Top 1 Futures. Lance, I know you're here. We appreciate you guys taking care of us and doing the giveaways for our people. We'll continue to throw it back to you guys, everybody. I promise. More giveaways next week with not just Top 1 Futures. Futures Elite helps us do some giveaways. We've done some Lucid stuff before. So just stay with us. The members always get priority on their trades. You always get priority on your questions. You always get priority for the giveaways, everybody. So, and I will tell you now, maybe a few more times, I'm definitely raising the price of ASFX TV. I literally don't know what I'm waiting for. So if you cancel everybody, you will have to pay a higher price to come back. But if you're a member, you're locked in at your current rate. Some people are here with us for 3 years. They're still at $10 a month when we started. So stay or cancel, but don't ever ask me to give you an old price when you were a member. You know what I'm saying? Yes. I'm glad. Listen, I appreciate you guys being here. The giveaways are the least that I can do. If you haven't left us a review, I mean, that is literally the only other thing I can ask. I know I'm selling you on a bunch of shit, everybody. I'm not an idiot. I just want you to know everything we have going on, but I never ask you to buy anything. I just want you to know the deals that we have. The only thing I'll ask you to do, not even stay subscribed, just leave us a review. When you leave, when you're here, whatever, we just want the reviews. It means literally the world to us because it's how you can trust people in this business. I can't do a fancy marketing video that can make 550 5-star reviews appear. I can't get in a Lambo that I rented and make you feel the same thing that you feel when you read 500 people's real reviews of working with us since 2019. You know what I'm saying, everybody? It's like there's levels to this. It's easy to rent a Lamborghini and run Facebook ads. You're a fucking clown. Okay? It's not easy to build up 500, 600 5-star reviews. Am I right?
Yeah, 110 fucking percent, man.
Lambo boys.
It's my like even on Instagram, like my 2,500 followers is like every single person followed me to follow me. Not I have fucking 6 million followers and this and this, right? It's like you can see people actually when they do find you, you'll know obviously, but
I de-risked in profit, everybody. A point in profit there. I took 3 of my 6 off. Just because it is taking a long time. We have talked about time stops and stuff, and I won't be mad if it still ends up a winner and it's smaller, or if it then ends up being a loser and it's taken a long time. So I had 6. We held in, stop loss held. Now I have 3. And this is the only trade I have. I don't have any options trades. I got nothing else cooking right now. Just trying to go into the weekend green, not having my week flip. Now I'm up 5,100 on the day. So I'm not trying to have my week be red this week. I came into this week just break even on the month. Now I'm making a step forward, even if it's only 5 or 6 grand this week. It's a step forward, and I can slam next week and really make my month look great in 5 days if I'm really sharp. I've done that many times. So I'm keeping next week in focus in the decisions that I make in this trade. You see that, everybody? That's what I mean about trading the month, not trading the day. I think about where will I be pissed? Well, if this trade has taken this long and it almost touched stop loss and it hasn't been a winner, and then it goes and I take full stop when it gave me 1, 2, 3 times to get out something and de-risk, I'm an idiot. So I got, for me, not you guys, you do you. I'm just telling you me. I know my rules. You know, I was saying to Jason, because we were talking about how do you teach discretion in the book, like discretion in trading is really just rules that you've made based around a system that probably has some backtesting, but they're rules of engagement that you've agreed upon with yourself. That's what discretion is. And how disciplined can you be to those rules? Because you can have discretion make you be a gambler, but real discretion is system first, you applying a few more rules and biases and stuff on top of that, and then that sticking to that consistently, that is your discretion. That becomes your edge. The edge is not in the strategy. The double break is not your edge. The break and retest of VWAP, it's not your edge. It's your discretion on top of that system, everybody. Does that make sense?
So NQ tested a big wall of orders at 325. It's testing those again, and I want to see now orders came on at 350.
It's forming a nice base. I mean, you have the base here on ES all morning, obviously. Just consolidating on this overnight value very low.
I got out. I was too heavy. I was holding the market down. Now that I got out, it let some of the air out of that bitch. Starts to
leave it up to silver. And then now I want to see on ES break above 90 here, and I'll look to do something with my trade.
Randy will always get you to stay in the trade longer, everybody, and I will get you out of it sooner. If you've been fatigued, he has valid reasons to look for more longs, but if you have fatigue of this trade, get out right now. It's a retest of 90. We said 90 was get out. You got a green trade, and then come back and mark it up. Does it go to target or does it go to stop? So if you get out now, you got to come back and do the full markup. Really, regardless, either way, you should do that, but you get what I'm saying.
Nice Elric. Hans, what the W looks like. Yeah, market always pumps once you get out. It watches. What is that trade? That's a crazy scalp, Hans.
91 now. Randy, you want POC? Is that what you said? 7,700.
I got 76.96 is my. I wanted to see his break above 90 here. You can kind of see previous days New York, and then that is actually that is going to be a GEX level. That's kind of what we are rejecting off of previous days New York. So it's again, this is where it's like you got to be looking at what am I looking at? I'm looking at previous days New York. Okay, is there an options level there? Well, let's see if we can break above it. And then 7,700 is at HVL. So I'm just looking to get opening range high. I don't need 7,700. I need 96, which we have orders
Randy,
now.
it de-risked me today. Remember I said it didn't the other day? I was at 6. Now I'm at 3 and 6. I was at 6 and 12. It de-risked me.
Remember I said, was it an NQ thing? Only having that issue.
Yeah.
Or you were also on, you said you wanted a contract.
Hold on. Wait. I'm thinking. It's 10:58.
Yes.
Right near the end of this candle. It's a good win. 91, 5 more points, Randy.
Yeah, see NQ right off that 325 again.
Okay.
Took those orders and move the orders from 50 down to 335. So this I could see this NQ trying to push price lower.
I'm out. So I lost
Stop
8 grand
the hold.
yesterday, and I made it back today.
Nice work.
Look at you.
Look at me go.
Nice.
Yeah, and we got all the accounts are in the green now. Next week's got to be good, man. Next week's going to be good. Survive and
Everyone put
survive.
it out there. Who bailed? Who bailed before stop? Someone did.
Yeah, it's just got no gas in it right now. I mean, it can go to 96 and get the 5 more points. It's just slow, man. It's been slow. Now maybe the slowness is done, but YM's going to be a loser on that double break. We were in the right one. I just think to our point of the fucking week, everybody, why did we not like shorts? We weren't under value area low yet. Inside value area, I'm still going to favor double break. Holding value area low, we love that. And then now you can see trading back up to POC. Location, 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 man. Just the value areas are so fucking good. Our value areas, Randy, are so fucking good. That's the thing. Some of these people are calculating weird value areas. And I just say, fucking buy the indicator for a month, spend $100 and see if ours are better than yours. I bet you they are. 93 now. 1 more minute until we're at 11 o'clock. If you're still in, that would be my flag of like, cool, 11 o'clock. We're going to shut the stream down. We did our giveaways. We did our third one, right? I didn't forget the third one.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Good job, Keith. You want to do a P&L check in the chat? Everybody spam the chat for me with some P&L. I want to see who's green today. How much are you green? How many accounts did you trade? Randy, you keep us posted on your trade. I'll put you up here, buddy. Yeah. You're my tanner. You're my tanner right now, right? Right, Evan?
This is my tanner.
Why? Because he's holding till the target?
Yeah. And it's a new 15-minute bar, so.
Lower. He had it at probably opening high of day or all-time high.
Oh, I added into the position right after, like, on the initial buy. I bought 5 more.
Okay. Well, then make sure you're...
Get it, Randy, get it.
The sell limits are only 5 and your trade's 10.
Oh, I closed.
Good job, buddy. Good. And you didn't even move the stop up. I'm like, Jesus Christ, 11 o'clock, boner down. Oh my God, not the way we want to end the week. Not the way we want to end the week in front of all the people. Good job, dude. Here, let me put the chat up here. 15 minutes of fame for everybody. Chat, show me that P&L. Show me that thing. Colton, P&L. Thank you, Doug.
Bam.
Fazina, 380 on 4. Flat, green on 9. 300 today. 10K payout yesterday, Ramiz. Nice. Minus Felipe, what's up there, brother? Sebastian, 2K. Ken, 268 times 20. Jake, 300. Green, 350. Two
Let's
accounts
go.
break even. 622. Minus 165. Yeah, the short did not work, Scotty. Get on that double break. Dusty, nice. 700 there. 900 there. 66 there. 380, 300, 4 accounts, 4,200 for the week, Steph. Good. Doug, 276. Now you answer the question, Doug. Thanks. 682. Robert, 900. Who else? Keep it coming. Let me see. Peter, 823. I love it.
Nice.
Let's go, baby.
As we're playing
Happy Friday.
3 in the background. Ela, very
Really
nice.
good.
504 across 6 accounts.
Okay.
Good.
I got a little tear in my eye.
Look at that double break, friends. Off that overnight VWAP. Doesn't that look nice?
That
What a
is
hold of
just
that
like
fucking
YM
stock.
earlier in the week.
Oh my
Nuts.
God. Twice this week you get edged, but you
Because
survive.
they made a new like body low. It's just that
Yeah.
wick that held. Crazy.
What a fucking move. Okay. So double breaks today, everybody. We are inside value area. So we're playing both ways, long and short, but we liked the longs off the value area low. Shorts would make sense under it. So 1 trade there. Nothing here on NQ. No double breaks there. No double breaks on the Russell. And then this losing signal right now on YM is still in play. So
Yeah.
2 double breaks to talk about today. That's it. You had 5 yesterday. Today. So yesterday, ES 1 for 1 winner. NQ went 0 for 2. YM went 1 for 1 yesterday. You had them on all 3. Today, you only get 2 of them. And you're going with a loss most likely here on YM. Yeah, no double break here because that was out of the range. So no double break there.
That just happened. That like
Yep.
it's not giving one because the VWAP did leave the range.
If you only did ES double breaks this week, I think it's 100% win rate on ES double breaks this week.
Damn.
Maybe 1 loss. Yep. But it's always the extra shit, you know? So. And now we'll go into the weekend, 7,200 here. So that's good. Take it. All right, everybody.
If you just made money, I wouldn't keep looking to take another trade.
No,
short
leave,
on-
please. Don't
and
give us
Q
back
Friday.
all that green. God
Friday.
damn it. I'll come in with gray hair on Monday. Do not
Okay,
give
now
it
what else
back.
can we do? Good job. What
I'm
can we do
done.
now? What's next?
I was
What
just
now?
going to say it's Friday. The weather's got to be beautiful. It's August.
Oh, it's all the windows
Oh,
are
fuck.
open. It's beautiful.
But that's what I mean. Go enjoy the day with your if you
Yeah.
if you made money, go enjoy the day. If you didn't
Yeah,
make
that's why
money,
we
you're
stopped
kinda-
the stream now. We don't
Yeah.
go longer on Fridays.
That's all. I'm
We're-
done trading. I'm done.
Every other trading stream, you know their cars, you know their shit. They want you on their stream all day. You don't know what we drive, but you make money with us and you get done fast. So pick your fighter, whatever from fucking Mortal Kombat. Choose your weapon. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, everybody, just one more time, please. If you haven't left us a review, Trustpilot is all we need. Please take some time this weekend. It'll take you 2 seconds. It means the world to us. We're going to do another big giveaway for that when we hit 700 reviews. So stay tuned. That'll be coming soon. But good job, everybody. Good week. Get your weekly reviews done. Get your daily report cards posted from today. We got a Black Shirt Club meeting today. So if you do join us in the Black Shirt Club, we'll be finishing up the week at 1:00, and then we're done. So thank you, boys. Good job, Randy. Good exit there, buddy. Ev, good trading. We'll see everybody on Monday. Thanks, guys.